And good morning!
Hello.
Good morning, guys.
Hello.
So nice having you here. Already busy hanging out.
Yes.
And we need to say good morning to Timmy.
Yes.
Timmy's up early. Or up late, I mean.
Good morning, Timmy. Good morning, Nick.
And Smack in the Box.
Smack in the box.
And we have Fire Nation here. Awesome to have you.
Hello, and Z. Good morning, and John Hamilton.
Hello. Yes.
Have we missed anybody out? You gotta say something if we missed anybody out now.
Yeah, I like that our stream says it's 2 viewers in the bottom left, but chat is a bit more busy than 2 viewers. I hope you guys were enjoying the cam while we were getting ourselves ready.
Well, I was enjoying Snuggles with the dog.
Yeah,
so.
Today is a very exciting day.
Yeah, we're gonna introduce a new team member
to the Snuti stream.
Snuti stream.
Should we all give a warm welcome to Mike? So yeah, this is now Mike, new upgraded look, and we're all feeling very stashed out. So yeah, got your googly eyes someplace and your moustache.
You know, it just makes him have a little bit more emotion.
Yeah.
And character. So yes, he has made his new reveal, his re-reveal.
Reba will, yeah. And Moritz is out of here. He's had enough of these shenanigans for one morning.
Should get like a little hat for him and stick googly eyes on it for him as well.
On Moritz?
Yeah.
We have some backup googly eyes.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, so yeah, Mike's gonna be hanging out up here, I think. Let's see.
So that's why you had the stashes again. Yeah, see, that is why we had the stashes again.
Yes, that's exactly why we had the stashes.
And thank you for saying the dogs are cute.
Ah.
Oh, this needs to go a bit further down.
Oh, are we too tall?
We're too tall.
Okay.
I don't know. Are you too tall? You're too tall.
Okay.
Just stop being so tall. Shrink.
Not my fault.
Shrink.
Keep growing out of
See,
it.
Winky's like, yeah, shrink.
See, okay, I took the stashes off now, Claire.
Oh, we look normal now.
Yeah.
Now Mike is the only one who's a little bit different to everybody else. He's like, it's a me, Mike.
Is that his voice?
No, I don't know what his voice is.
Winky's very curious about
She's
what's
very
going
curious. Is a curious Winky today?
Timmy's like, trailer. Yeah, thing is, I actually have hooked the trailer up, so you know, we since last week, we have made a trailer for Mr. Pips.
Mr. Pips has his first ever trailer.
That's about time, though.
It's about time.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mike is a very important part of the team. Yes.
But without him, we would not be able to make our cute little sound effects and our voiceover? Yeah, voiceover. That was it.
Yeah. Right.
Yes. Should we show the trailer before?
Or should we wait a little bit for the trailer?
Who wants the trailer now?
Hey, nice transition there. That cam switch.
Which cam switch?
Which cam switch?
This cam switch? Or that cam switch?
He's probably talking about this one. Whoop, whoop,
whoop,
whoop.
Winky's like, yes, stop switching me! Stop switching me already!
Yeah.
Winky was like...
So anyway, Nick, that's some of the benefits of using OBS, because then you can install some plugins which is not possible with Streamlabs.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Anyway.
Winky's very curious about my hands. It was just like, your hands have treats, Minnie.
I think she smells a certain box here.
Yeah, she sure does. It's a box of treats.
Box of treats up here. Right.
We now throw bits at us, and the dogs get treats.
That could happen.
Between Main and Doggy, yeah, nice.
Yeah, is that a new one?
The whoop?
The whoop?
The whoop?
The whoop?
The whoop?
I'm not sure what the whoop is.
What's the whoop? We don't know what the whoop is.
But I had it for a couple of weeks. I haven't changed that. Good morning, wife. Frozen Well, welcome. He loved the trailer. I think everyone here has seen the trailer, so
I think everyone has seen the trailer.
We can wait a little bit till later when more strangers are coming around who hasn't seen the trailer.
It's like, oh, what's this? It's like adorable little strawberry. We're like, this adorable little strawberry. This strawberry. Yeah, he's adorable.
I was just thinking, the one thing which is very exciting for me today, that is the Brackies Game Jam. It's exciting for quite a few of us as well. Let's see.
And that T-Rex. Hello. Whee. He still has his little toes poking out. And his tail.
We have some improvements to do on that.
No, we don't. It looks fine.
Does that look fine to you guys? Whoa, dinosaur! Yeah, it's one of the stream Easter eggs which has happened. Thanks to Z.
Z and everybody in the stream were just like, "Woo, we need to have a T-Rex and an ice cube," and I was like, "I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all." We also have a dragon hidden somewhere. But no dragon fruit.
No dragon fruit. Oh, that was fun when we got the dragon fruit yesterday. The sheep.
So cute. Thank you. You're welcome, Snuti. Well, Z, if you were making this game, you would probably put a lot more dragons in there, and so I'm really sorry. I'm sorry there isn't more. Frozen
T-Rex. His tail is wagging. I don't think he is.
Is it? Is it?
I'm pretty sure he does not have an animator on him.
I don't think he does. Maybe. No, I think it's just an illusion. I think.
Of his amazing floating in the sky mechanic. Man, that is.
He's doing.
Should we steal the floating script from the resale game by any chance? Oh man, this is. Yeah. It's hard work on the game. You're never satisfied with what you do.
It has a certain charm, right?
the floating above water thing.
Nick says he was joking. Oh. Nick, you're joking.
Tim says, I hope it doesn't snow in real life. I like warm. Yesterday, talking about bad weather, Norway, right next to where we live, like 20 minutes away from here, hit a national record of amount of rain in 1 hour.
1 hour.
Which was about 60 milliliter of water in 1 hour downpour.
It was a lot. And so, we were just like standing here in the middle of a client meeting, and all you could just hear was just like, push. I was like, whoa, I feel like I'm in a shower or something.
Yeah, the great pour, as Timmy put it. Yeah.
There would be dragons flying everywhere, an abundance of fire and destruction, and the game would be over in 2 minutes. Well, at least it would be warm.
Toasty. Nick, the Z would make a very toasty game. Yeah.
That's what Timmy wants. We'll make the DLC then.
Well, John Hamilton, wish it would snow where I am. Yeah, well, that's so we can come to the land of pips.
Yes. Where are you based, John Hamilton?
Yeah.
Positive thinking.
Yeah. Exactly. Not fire and destruction. But what I wanted to point out earlier was this. I'm just nervous looking at it. There's now 3 hours 46 minutes remaining till the voting ends.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yeah, so that'll be exciting, guys. We probably won't be on stream by that time, but I was chatting with Julia this morning, and she was like, I'm trying to stream after you, Krister. And I was like, yeah, we're going to come radio, but she's apparently lost access to her Twitch account.
Oh, I hope she manages to come back.
Her 2FA is broken.
Or if anybody else here who does streaming is going to be waiting until 10, well, in 2.5 hours, then we'll raid you. We need more game devs to raid. Oh, in Australia.
Oh, right.
We should snow. Okay, that's why you wanted to snow. Oh, you should come up here to Norway. Then you'll get like 6 months of potentially nice weather, and then 6 months of snow. It's a bit cold, chilly though.
If Julia streams after you, that'd be too late for me. Sorry, Timmy.
You've got to take a quick power nap, Timmy, and then you can watch Julia stream.
But I think that's probably not happening because she looks like she has to do an appeal or something to get access to her account.
No.
So yeah, probably next week maybe.
I hope so.
Yeah.
And Game of Thrones final episode, was that Z? Burn it down.
Yes.
Yes, maybe. How'd she manage that? I don't know, Z. I want to be the best game dev. And you can be the best game dev.
Or, game
dev.
Or accept the fact that, like we're terrible game devs, but we have a good time and make fun things anyway. We're not
like a pot landing. Like a pot landing.
It's 3:14 in the morning. Well, here it's 8:15, so, only a few hours behind us, Timmy. Sorry for streaming in the morning, guys.
I'm so sorry. Timmy, you are awoken today.
You are awoken. This time is perfect time for stream for me. PM Saturday. You picked an awesome time for me. That is great. Yeah,
that's awesome. It's really interesting when we see everybody coming to the stream from all different areas of the world. I'm like, wow, you guys are awake there, and then it's so fascinating.
Yeah. So we haven't decided on a task for today.
Who wakes up at 6?
We do.
We do.
Actually, we've been a bit later though. Usually 7.
We have, but that's blaming for the little baby.
Not me, says Timmy. Yeah, not you. You're occasionally awoken at 6 a.m. on the other hand, though, but that's different.
Chris was saying the other day, I was like, I got a message at 4 a.m. from Timmy. I'm like, I feel bad. I should have responded. I was like, Christy, you were asleep. I wouldn't have been able to woken you up anyway.
Right.
And Paula Junction, thank you
for the subscription.
Subscribing.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, and you know what that means?
Oh, we got doggo treats coming around. All right.
Winky's like,
You what? Somebody subscribed? Oh my gosh, somebody has subscribed. This is amazing news.
And you know, by the way, we got an emote just now unlocked. It says there. Thanks to Paul Johnson's subscription, you got an emote.
everybody got an emote for the entire stream, isn't it?
Yeah, it might be. Maybe there's a special thing going on.
Okay.
Okay, it's hyper lost emote.
Right. Paul Junction, subscribe. Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm excited.
Why are we so overexposed today? Oh well.
Okay.
Enjoy some doggo cam, guys.
We need to have like a higher doggo cam, you know?
Yeah.
Gila?
No, you didn't wake me up, Timmy. Don't worry about it. Oh, don't have notification on at night.
You guys. Yeah. What do you say, Marie? Thank you, Paula Junction, for subscribing.
And hello, Obando. How are you doing today? Other doggo has now arrived. Glad we could rectify this lack of a can terrier.
What do you say?
Oh my gosh, I love when people subscribe.
Woof.
Oh.
Tinkerbell says hello. Hello, Tinkerbell. the dancing llama. And Z has also subscribed for a month there. We need to top up on more treats.
This is double trouble, guys. Have you seen these?
And
dogs?
Claire,
Yeah.
Timmy redeemed doggo cuddles.
This is like a triple whammy.
Yeah. That is incredible, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for all the treats, guys. Oh, this is amazing. You made my day.
Yeah, you made Winky's day. Look how happy he is. Yeah. Look how Maurice is happy. Yeah. No,
And we also have another. Oh, Aziz gifted. Sorry, I got it a bit wrong. He gifted another sub to Refsa. So, yeah, okay. Come on outside. But yeah, that's very generous of you. Z is on the ball.
He's on the ball.
Yeah.
We should have that.
We should have his shark ball on stream soon.
Oh, yeah.
Which was in our last devlog.
Aww.
Mickey's like, nobody else getting any treats. Any treats.
Nick's in a 27 viewer stream with 25 people who got an emoji. Guess who didn't get one?
Oh no!
Here's some love for you, Nick. Here's some love
Morris
for you.
didn't get one neither, Nick. It's okay. Neither did Winky.
No, Morris got his own one.
That's his own one.
Yeah.
Morris, why is there a Enforce the Printer?
Oh, Timmy's played the new flight simulator today. That one is really neat looking. I've been watching some gameplay of it. It's so beautiful.
Okay, I'm coming over.
Claire, can we dim the lights a bit? Except I don't have my phone.
Oh, yeah, I got my phone here.
My phone is charging.
There you go.
Because I don't know why. Why are we so bright today?
Morris, come on.
Oh, he left stream already.
Z needs the Morris money emoji.
Hey, what category are we streaming? Are we in streaming and just chatting? That's very fitting.
Are we? No, I don't think we are.
I think we might be.
I don't know.
Because I left it on that last time, I think. Yeah!
Are we okay?
We are! Yeah, we're trying out a bit different categories. And I've hooked up buttons now so I can switch categories depending on what's currently going on. And that seems like we're just chatting at the moment.
Have you caught up with chat then?
No.
No, okay, Chris is not very good.
I got to Timmy's playing new flight sim.
Where was that?
Right there.
Where?
It just went off.
Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. I got it.
Sorry, I'm gonna fix the hue light. Bear with us.
Hello, Fury and Drage. Let's say it like that, because that's what I read it as. Timmy has flown 2 of the planes in the game.
And how are you guys today? He's asking.
We are doing good. We're doing
very good. And as I was talking about earlier, I'm very excited for the Bracky's Game Jam reveal, which is happening a bit later. Where
but Winky is so cute. You just need to leave her on cam at the moment. I'm just like, this is awesome. You see, she actually has like a little, bird on her. Yeah,
a bird on her chest.
A bird on her chest. Yeah. That's it. So, and thank you for the follow, John Hamilton.
Oh, thank you. That's awesome. And welcome back as well. Have a good time.
Yeah. And thank you for the follow, Danchi Lama.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. He's like, okay, I'm paying attention.
Show me the magic. Oh, yeah.
But we haven't shown the magic of Mike. Maybe she just wants to see Mike. Maybe she wants this.
Were we supposed to select the task today?
Oh, yeah, I think we were, but
okay, we got sidetracked.
We got sidetracked,
yeah.
And I looked like I had a little hat there from the little thing in the background. But not, yeah, like this.
Mm.
And Timmy has flown 172 and a twin star. It's pretty accurate. I would assume those are planes.
Oh yeah, Timmy has aviation experience.
Ooh,
remember?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that is neat. That is neat.
So I guess that's also why she can actually talk legitimately about flight simulators compared to the rest of us who are mortal and have no clue how flying works.
Oh, mortal. No. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
The avionics in the plane in the game is a little newer than what I've flown, but pretty similar.
Right?
Pretty neat.
Listen to this girl.
Yeah.
She knows what she's talking about. That is awesome.
You do like a live stream where you're like in a plane. Now, Timmy, flying it. That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
So what are we working on today?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to get around to. Sorry.
We never made an energetic wave animation for Mr. Pips for the trailer. Oops. Oh well.
Oh.
We're going to do that.
We forgot that.
Oops.
Maybe we should just move on.
We'll just move on.
Yeah, because that's feature creep,
That's
if anything. Okay, make an audio sliders linear scale instead of logarithmic. That sounds like a boring issue.
Yeah. Is that Notion you're using? It is indeed.
That's indeed Notion, yes. Outro cutscene sound effects. What are sound effects we're missing?
We're missing lots. There is no sound effects.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We need to have wee. Okay, so that needs to be done. We came unprepared today.
We were not prepared. Illidan would not be proud of us.
Have we not?
Oh, yeah, that's a joke that we ended up putting in our latest, in one of our videos. That's coming soon.
We like Illidan.
We like Illidan.
Way, I downloaded Notion. That's awesome to hear, Timmy. I hope you like it. And if you got any questions, then be sure to ask me. Because I got plenty
Ask you, who's the one who always does all the Notion stuff here. Thank you very much.
Ask Clara.
I'm like the Notion master,
and,
but Chris is the database master in Notion, so.
Yeah, I like linking my databases.
What is everybody up to today? Let us know in the chat. I think the Snutibot did ask it earlier on, but I didn't say it out loud, which I'm sorry, Snutibot.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Are you guys working on anything exciting this morning? Please let us know in chat.
Well, even if you're not working on anything exciting, it might be exciting. It might be exciting.
Should we be messing a bit with our Miss Pips, or is that a bad idea?
A bad idea. Bad idea.
Yeah.
Bad idea. We'll try and fix our audio
I feel like
effects.
doing this task.
No, I feel like doing some sound effects. Okay, we can do a poll. We can do a
The
poll.
thing is, they didn't see that.
Oh, okay. Well, then...
It's a bad idea to do a poll on that one. You know what the answer is going to be.
What's the answer going to be? Sound effects? Ramps when rafting, boost on a raft. Oh, gosh.
Yeah, you didn't understand the task, did you?
No, I didn't understand the task.
Okay.
So which one do you want to do?
That one is feature creep task.
Oh, that's feature creep. Okay. Guys, should we do feature creep or should we do sound effects?
What's our game about? Hello, ambitious
Cactus.
Cactus.
I like that name. Hello.
Very welcome to stream this morning. Hope you're doing well. I can tell you what about the game in a little bit. I can show you our trailer.
Yeah, we made a trailer,
because we just finished a
I
trailer
don't know what the
yesterday.
clips are now. Does it have music on it as well?
Yes, I think so. So, okay, enjoy our trailer for Life Miss Pips.
Yes.
In a very fruitful world, a strawberry tossed from his bush, his family scattered. Traveling through the seasons, to find his purpose in life. The Life of Mr. Pips, a cute little adventure game, coming autumn 2020.
It's so common. It's so common.
Okay. Now the poll is up, guys. Type 1 or 2 in chat for deciding what we should be working on this morning.
And good morning, Dr. Javasaurus. Sorry we missed out. I didn't want to say anything during the trailer. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Feature creep if there's no pressure.
And here's the pitch, by the way, for our game. I forgot to post that in the chat when the trailer was playing.
Yeah, you want to see the trailer,
Yeah.
Only if that creep is a dragon.
Ooh, people are
That's
being reasonable to us. They're getting some votes in for...
Ooh, it's a tough cookie, that.
Things we have a hard deadline on finishing this game, Claire.
I know we do.
We need to ship it by next month.
We need to ship it.
Final approach. Oh, we're leaning towards the feature creep.
Ooh. Ooh.
There's 15 seconds left to vote. Oh, they're coming all the vote in.
And thank you for the follow, Ambitious Cactus.
Thank you.
Bad Nick. We need to keep them on track. Yes.
All right, the votes are in. Feature creep, we're doing rafting. Okay, the task for rafting is that we plan to make ramps, which you boost when you drive onto them. Boosting ramps.
It will make the rafting more fun, apparently.
It's very realistic.
It's very realistic. Oh, sorry, Z, I just love the rafting.
So last night I couldn't sleep and I made an A-star algorithm for the jam. Yeah, I was hanging out in Java Source's stream last night and he was 3D printing a dinosaur foot and he's taking
dinosaur
part...
footprints, wasn't it? Was it dinosaur foot or dinosaur footprints?
I think it was a foot.
Oh, was it?
And he was taking part in the extra credits game jam, which is, I think it's 48 hours or something. Yeah, so good luck with the jam. It was a footprint.
Hours.
Claire was correct. Sorry.
It was a footprint.
Okay, I wasn't paying attention apparently.
Well, I was going to bed, so I wasn't really paying attention either, but I did see the title, so...
Nick says, if you don't want to do it, don't put it in a vote. Yeah. I did want to do it.
So I'm just going to put this nice little, like... No, that's a bad one.
Did you just duplicate a rock?
I just duplicated a rock to boost.
Okay, I was thinking a little bit different than a rock.
Oh, okay. What were you think? Oh, were you thinking about, like, you know, a pallet? Or, like, this, or...
No, I think... Okay, I got some ideas.
Okay, we've got some ideas,
What if... We can talk about it.
Should we move over to science and technology? Or are we staying in just China?
We can move over to science and technology for now.
Technology.
That's a good point. So we should have switched to... Yes, we have switched title and... Or in science and tech.
So I mean, like, Krista wrote down this task, and I'm like, what does this entail?
It was a suggestion from stream like 6 months ago, Claire.
6 months ago?
Yeah. Either way, I was thinking, what if we grab one of these pieces? Like
fine rocks, yes.
Yeah, one of these mighty fine rocks.
I want a raft now. Whatever happened to that alpha beta? It is coming soon, Z. It is coming soon. You have to see.
Yeah, wait and see.
Wait and see. Well, it turned out to be dino poop. It wasn't a dinosaur footprint.
Oh, did the print failed? I was sad to hear that. Yeah. So I was wondering if we should do something like this for the ramp.
That's a good one. Maybe.
Yeah. Oh, that's a bit too massive.
I'll probably remodel it as well. Be like,
No, I mean, like, the shape is right.
Yeah, okay.
But one thing we can do with it is
extend it.
See,
rotate it.
I want to rotate it on the Z-axis. Oops, no, not the Z-axis.
Not the Z-axis?
No. Not the X-axis. Are we in a gimbal lock or something?
I think...
Yeah, we are totally in a gimbal lock. This is the Y-axis. Whatever.
Oh, well.
That's what happens here.
Like when other people have feature creep. It makes me feel better when I have feature creep.
Yes.
I'll try again today if the missus wakes up and she tends to the kids.
Good luck with
the footprints.
Yes. And the jam.
Having a thrown rock at you can be motivating to move faster, but I don't think it's the way to go here, Claire. Wait! I definitely think it's the way to go. And thank you for the follow, Volcan Vector. I hope I said that right.
Thank you. Awesome having you here.
And guess who redeemed Doggo Snuggles. Somebody doesn't like your rock, Krister.
Frozen Well
doesn't like your rock.
Oh.
Doggo Snuggles it is. Doggo Snuggles it is.
Yeah, Doggo Snuggles.
And Maurice, are you gonna come out, Snuggles? No, I think he's pooped. He's in his crate snoozing and losing.
Oh, that is very snoozing and losing.
So we're just gonna have to have Winky Poo. You wanna come out, Snuggles? Oh, now you do. Now you do.
He made a funny face.
Come on. Show your funny face to everybody, huh? Come on, turn around.
Can terriers are quite expressionate.
There you go. No, you see. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, Muffins.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were thinking about maybe we should have like a double dog cam, so we got, one on the crate where Morris likes to snooze and lose upside down, and one here. But I think Morris likes the snuggles here too much.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. You want a proper Karen massage? Yeah, you want a proper massage?
That's a good doggo cuddle.
Yeah, it's a good doggo.
Ah.
Yeah, it's my boy, huh? Yeah, and it's my little girl. I love how Winky is now a headrest. Yeah, I'm a headrest. Yeah. It's the best to have a doggo snuggles, huh?
Ah, it didn't work. Oh.
What's wrong?
I just tested out my dog cam command.
It didn't work?
No, it didn't work.
No.
Oh well.
No.
So sorry.
Oops, sorry, Ryan.
I don't have everything figured out on stream yet. Sadly, I have to go. The missus wants to go do shopping. I'll leave the stream on for you guys, but I won't be here to watch it, I'm afraid. Talk to you later after the brackets result. Maybe we can have a call. Want to watch it together later? Yeah, that'd be nice, Nick. Absolutely.
Is it gonna be like a live reveal or something? Or is it just
I mean, we're gonna be off the stream by the time this timer is up. It's in 3 hours and 27 minutes.
Yeah.
We will see you later, Nick. Have a good one.
Yes, have a good time. Say hello to the missus.
Good relaxing dog cuddle.
And enjoy your shopping.
Yeah. Okay.
And give your dog a snuggle too.
So when I see this in place right now, I'm feeling like takes a bit much space.
It's a bit clunky as well.
Yeah, it's a bit clunky, isn't it?
So we need to make it more. Yeah, it needs to make it more like a raft. Raft?
Ramp.
Ramp. That's the word. See, I can't speak English today.
But like that. So my plan is that there's a little collider zone on top of it that gives a boost.
Ooh, that would be a good idea.
Right? That just like adds velocity in the direction.
But then you need
facing.
to make sure that you can actually get up it.
Yeah. Don't you think so?
Well, I mean, yeah, but it's going to be at the right angle, otherwise you just like sit down again.
Yeah. So
we have to test it.
The thing is, I want to see if it's in the way of the rafters. Like, no, okay, they cut the corner there.
Well, that one didn't. He just knocked into that other one.
So if it's like more like this, for example.
Will it stop them? Will it stop them? That's the question.
Well, this time because there's nothing hooked up to it. But then if in the future, if they manage to, they would boost them off. Like, zoom.
Well, hopefully. Otherwise, you just have the one that went at the front, just like going down to the bottom. Like,
we got our hopes high here, Claire. We got our hopes high.
Our hopes high.
Yes. Okay, so this is no longer a rock column.
This is a...
What is it called? Ramp.
Ramp.
Raft
a rocky ramp.
Things we could change the texture on it another time.
Yeah.
What should it look like?
That's polished.
Should it be like stone color or should it be like a different color?
Why not add water spouts?
You mean we have those in our catalog now? Yeah, got a point.
Can never have enough water spouts.
Trying to organize ourselves a little bit here.
It's just gonna be like, you know, what's it called, that cameo from Resale. Oh, we should add in the little sailboats we had as like a little toy for one of the kids.
That's not a bad idea, actually.
Yeah.
The one playing with the sandcastle.
Yeah, sandcastle.
He should have like a little toy sailboat.
Yeah, I should have a toy sailboat.
Oh, that'd be cute.
Yeah, Wiki's like, yeah, I agree. Sounds like great.
Yeah.
I love how you're completely attentive today, Wiki.
Yeah. Tim says, that worked good. Now just add 10x speed. Okay, that's
I'm just going to see them go like, whee, up into the distance. We should do 10 times speed.
Mm-hmm.
You know that. Let's just add a collider, shall we?
Okay, so we're going to do a cube.
Make a cube? I'm making a cube. I'm making a cube. That's a weird cube. Hello, cube.
Cube is going to be...
It's going to go into the cubicle.
Trigger.
And Snuti Bolt says, tell us what you're up to today. Work on anything cool. Taking it easy. Just say hi and let us know. More than welcome to say hi. We like when people say hi. Hello.
Everyone has said hi already. Oh, I bet there's more, but like it's been a lot of activity in chat.
Yeah, that's true.
So, is that a good placement for the
Looks
trigger?
Looks a bit like a plane.
Okay.
I'm joking.
Here's what I'll do for you. The mesh renderer, we're going to go like...
We're going to have... Oh. I don't like...
Is that good enough?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah. And then we're going to add on start script here.
I love how Chris has hijacked everything again.
Well, sorry, I just had a vision for this.
Okay, fine. Finish your vision.
Finish my vision. I think you can take over now.
Really? Because we are going to make it smaller.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, didn't you say you were going to have it at the top, not during? Or are we going to have it during?
It has to be during. So as soon as you enter that, you will get lots of force towards the ramp.
Okay. So this is a raft.
Maybe actually it should be slimmer. Because
let's have a look.
yeah, I think that,
so?
yeah, because what if you're just touching the corner, then it will send you spinning.
Yeah, that's a very good idea. It's a good plan. A little bit thinner. There?
Quite a bit thinner, I think.
There?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
So you got to be properly on the ramp in order to...
Are you properly on the ramp? Yeah, it's properly on the ramp.
Yeah.
We're going to make an own script for this?
Yes. And Indie Game Lover is here today.
Hello,
Hi.
good morning.
Or good evening, I
doing?
guess. So hope you're having an...
Oh, little Pikachu emoji. Hello,
Yeah.
Pikachu. And this is a very comfy and fun stream. Thank you so much, Ambitious Cactus.
Oh, that is so nice to hear.
Oh, you party mates.
Yes.
Why does he only have one emoji on the screen? Two. Okay, let's make it. So we have Raft Boost.
Yes.
Let's call it Raft Boost.
Great script name. We like our script names.
We like our script names. It's descriptive. It's descriptive.
Yeah.
Because it's no. I feel like we haven't been touching code in quite some time.
It's been a little while.
It's been a little while, yes.
When was the last we coded anything? Game Jam?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
Should we start on Trigger Enter?
Yeah, we should probably do it on Trigger Enter first.
Yeah. I also noticed something wrong in our hierarchy. Do you see something wrong in our box collider setup?
It's not a trigger.
It's not a trigger.
It's not a trigger. It's a trigger now. Oh, what? I clicked on it and it didn't want to trigger. It's triggered now.
Oh, Timmy's meeting with a character artist locally on Sunday. Ooh.
That'll be pretty awesome.
That'd be really neat. Good luck with that meeting. I hope that works out and that you meet somebody really inspiring. I watched the Game Jam video, or one of them. Great video. Thank you.
Oh, thank
That's
you.
our last video on our YouTube. And for those who don't know, here's our main YouTube channel where you can check out what she's talking about. Thanks so much that you enjoyed that video.
And the trailers.
Had a crazy week that week. And that's exactly what we're sitting here fretting about right now. It's the fact that that's 2 weeks ago. And the scoring will be revealed in 3 hours for the Brackets Game Jam. So yeah,
Timmy's just asking for the trailer again. I think Timmy just likes it. Like,
trailer.
Oh, trailer. It's like the cool, and cute.
Trailer.
And I love how Morris is currently lying right now.
Yeah, that's a pretty comfy dog,
That's
isn't
a
it?
pretty comfy Karen.
Yeah.
If you ever need some inspiration, I mean, look at that Karen. This is pure relaxation at its best.
Oh.
Yes. And we'll have David Attenborough coming and doing all of the sound effects.
Ah, that'd be good.
Ah, that'd be amazing.
Should we hire him?
We should hire him. Yes. Oh, one day.
Timmy wants more riffs. Yeah. Right.
So we got there. We got
our collider.
We got our collider.
On
We should
Trigger
probably
Enter.
name it. We should probably get it first. Or do we need to because it's already on it?
Yeah. I think the only thing we need to do here really is figure out who's entering this trigger, and if it's a raft, then we will add velocity to the
So
rigid
just do
body.
the raft, not the player.
No.
Okay, yeah, we'll do the raft then. Yeah. Where is our raft in the first place? Should we figure it out?
Yeah, and we need to see kind of what's the composition of a raft looking like, not the script, but in Unity.
Yeah, that's what we'll have a look at.
You can probably just click if you just turn the camera around.
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna go from the hierarchy.
Ah.
No, okay, fine. I'll touch this.
Is the collider like a volume? It's like collision mesh for the physics,
mesh, yeah.
but you don't have to collide with it. You can also set it to be a trigger, so you go through it, and then it will trigger collision events, which in code.
The NPC raft has a collider in it.
I think Z is giving a much better explanation here. So.
Probably nice to free up some. No, I think he's talking about the character artist.
Oh, sorry.
Nah, you're doing fine on your own. Probably nice to free up some time to work on the rest of it. That is true. But you do have some really, really nice design, Timmy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Do you 3D model everything yourself? I'm curious.
Yeah, because it's quite extensive, the worlds you're building in your game.
It's not little. Dig you see? I'm not the best at organic modeling. Oh, you're doing fine on your own too, Krista.
Sort of. I like how
Timmy says she's not the best at organic modeling, and I'm just like, oh, you're really good at modeling. If you're doing all the modeling yourself, that's really good, Timmy.
Yeah. And hello, Julia. How are you doing this morning?
Good morning.
Welcome to Snuti Stream. So glad to have you here. We have currently been distracted by a chat to make ramps for rafting.
in rafting. So feature creep 101.
Yes.
So yeah, how Mr. Pips never got finished in autumn 2020.
Yes, that is exactly how Mr. Pips is not finished.
So we got the player is rafting. Yeah. Well, so we've got a collider in here. Where is that? Let's just go. Let's just zoom in on these dudes.
Just for some context, for those who don't know, this is Timmy's Twitter, and she's working on the Ancient Sky, really cool looking game where, it's pretty legendary looking. And she's
okay, Timmy says the organic modeling and foliage is bought assets.
Yes, we
okay.
have also bought our foliage or nature assets as well. We made some ourselves, but it's a combination, so I totally understand you. It's so much work.
Yeah. Discovered I'm still logged in Twitch on my phone, locked out on my computer. Cross your fingers that the Twitch support helps me out.
Oh, I hope that works out, Julia.
Yeah.
Because if Julia is able to be logged into her Twitch account, we're going to be rating her after our stream today.
Yes. So sort it out fast.
I can't do trees. It takes a lot of practice doing trees.
And
like
thank you for
techniques.
the follow, Hiontone. I think I said that right.
Thank you.
Oh, I said that right.
That's awesome.
I can't do trees. No. We have you seen our trees? We didn't make these trees.
No.
We just added a shader on it, which made them sway.
Yeah, I did a sway shader.
It's sway shader.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, so we do actually have colliders on here, so it might be wise for us to utilize the colliders.
And thank you for following Marquez.
Thank you for the follow.
Yes. So, but what I was thinking about, are they tagged? So you see, they're untagged.
That's the raft itself.
Yeah. But they have a script here which you can identify them by, but I think it's best to maybe add a tag to them.
Float in? No, we don't want float in.
So maybe we should add a new tag called raft. I think it might be a good idea.
We're going to add a raft tag.
Yeah.
Add tag.
Let's do that.
Raft.
And then when we apply it, do it inside a prefab. So we don't have to. Of
course. So let's open. Taggy, rafty. Let's go back again, and let's hope that went raft, and these ones as well. He
says he wants to do trees like Lucian, like he makes them in Houdini. They look so nice. Yes, I've been looking at also some tutorials lately of how to do trees in, I think it was in Blender even.
Oh, the Studio Gimli ones?
Yeah, the Studio Gimli trees. I can just quickly open it up. It's in my watch history on YouTube.
Yeah. What is everybody up to, by the way? Let us know. How many new people that follow this?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go back here then. Yes, we can just get thingy from by tag, right?
Yes. Did you apply the tag? You also apply the tag to the other rafts before you forget.
Oh, is it only? I applied it to the raft.
Yeah, but the player rafts on the right.
Oh no! I didn't play it. Okay, let me just go there.
Right, they are different prefab. I'm pretty sure.
Are they different?
No, they're already rafts.
They're already
okay,
done.
That's great.
I think it's because the raft is the raft is the raft.
Good.
I think it's the raft. It's the raft. I'm like modeling buildings and stuff. I don't own Houdini, only Blender. Blender's open source to me. But Houdini, they have a free... Isn't it free until you use it commercially?
Yeah, but they have some restrictions and limitations, etc. I just want to drop this in chat for everybody talking about trees right now. Or maybe I should share it in Snuti land on resources to be even more cheeky.
Resources. So if you want to join our little Discord, the link out on the chat now.
Fancy trees in Blender. Okay, let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So these trees are made in Blender. By this guy, and he has a really... I was watching this entire tutorial the other day, and it's really cool how he went about the process for making them, using like particle systems and how he fixed the normals for it to be fancy. But he made them flat for film production, I think. But you can also have them with volume, and then it will probably work very well in the game. Yeah. So yeah, very very cool process he went through to do that.
Are you going to try it, Krister?
I'm tempted. Obviously not from Pips. Pips is not his foliage.
That definitely isn't going to happen. No.
Yeah. But yeah, I shared it here in Snutiland, so go check that out if you're curious.
Yeah, I'm also curious to hear from Z as well. Is it hard to use Houdini?
I've been using it a little bit. It's a lot of buttons to learn, and especially the node network has so many options.
Right, should we get identifying our thingy then?
But look at that dog.
Oh man, that is content.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, let's just try and get. Chris is like feature creep, yes, feature creep's fine. Chris doesn't feature creep help. So we need to get the tag right, isn't it?
Yeah. You can just do that straight inside the on trigger entry. It's like
I can just do it
if
in there.
other dot compare tag or something, isn't it? No, dot compare.
Is it dot compare?
Yeah.
Oh, you can do that. Okay.
And then you just write the tag name inside the square brackets. No, I mean regular.
That's a sort of regular brackets.
Sorry, my words are off.
There you go. So if I can't even see the dot, there you go. Then we're gonna do 100% boost, right? Let me just give me a second. I did it. I did it.
Yes. Should we do this?
Should we zoom in as well?
Yeah, that's
How
what
about like 150% needs to be like 400.
400 is maybe a bit excessive, isn't it?
What?
But I think we just do other dot find component rigid body. Get component. I mean.
Get component.
Yeah. Something
Get
like
component. No, it's just.
Talking about the crocodiles.
Damn I did everything wrong here today. Rigid body. Are we? Yeah, we're just gonna. Yeah, okay. Can we? What do we have in the rigid body? I need to see.
You don't.
Okay.
Well, you're not operating much with rigid body, have you?
No, I haven't. So yeah.
If you just head back to VS Code,
Oops.
sorry.
Yeah.
You just.
So we've got the master drag.
Yeah. No, you don't worry about those parameters. Rigid body has
Okay.
like its whole own set of stuff.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Such as you can see right here. But what we're looking for is add force.
Yes.
We can
we
also
added torque force or add force?
just the torque is spin, obviously. Force
I didn't know that.
If you add force at position, it will, for example, if you have like a square like that and you add a position here, it will start spinning.
Oh.
But if you just do add force without the position thing, it will just do it in the center and the whole thing will go, and that's what we probably want.
Yeah.
So just,
well, I don't know. Explosion force sounds very tempting. But
that's if you, for example, say at this point there's an explosion, and then it will affect everything. So it calculates that.
Yeah, okay. Well, if we had the spouts, the water spouts, then we could do it.
We're not adding water spouts to Mr.
Ah, come on.
Right, so we need the force direction.
The direction,
which
yeah.
I think is just going to be transform.forward.
You think so? Yeah, probably is.
Forward. And then comma. We need
what is the other one? We need the force mode.
We probably don't need a mode even. We just need to multiply the forward by how powerful we want it. Just to like
100.
Yeah.
You know what you're gonna have here?
Extreme values.
No. Extreme values. Extreme, I tell you. Extreme.
We're just missing def.
Almost.
Yes.
Talking all about Houdini here.
Oh yes.
It's cheap indie. $280 per year.
That's the license I want to get though.
Yeah. That's one I bought only because I wanted to use Houdini. AKA Houdini within Unity or Unreal. Okay. It's super cool though, completely non-destructive workflow with nodes and great for procedural generation. Also, it works inside of the engine.
Yes, that's really cool about like you manage to expose your parameters from inside of Houdini, and they will appear in Unity, and you can tweak them, and it will basically calculate in the background using the Houdini engine. So it won't be in runtime when you ship your game, but when you are in production, you can use the tools very creatively and create powerful tools for yourself. So yeah, it's very cool.
Hey, Chris has been watching so many videos on it. He's like, I want to do it. I'm itching to do it. I was like, okay.
I've been eyeing that software since I was in university. Like,
but they were using it in university.
Yeah, but we didn't get a license to it.
Why not?
I don't know.
You were doing like...
I think we had to get to the master's degree or something to do it.
I just want to see if anything happened. I don't think it's going to happen. Nothing happened. Oh.
We should probably debug log.
Yeah, I probably should debug.
Are we on Hello World 25 now?
I think so. Hello. Oh, Jello. Okay, we're going to go Jello World.
Jello World.
25.
25, yeah.
We're going to do that.
But should we do one outside the tag comparison as well?
Yeah.
And is that like 26 then?
No, that's going to be 25 and this is going to be 26.
Okay. So you're going in the right...
Got to be linear. Got to be linear, right?
Okay. Tammy says she might have to try it. Oh, you're going down a rabbit hole. Okay, I think for Houdini, this meme applies very much.
Which meme?
I'm gonna show you.
Which meme? Jello World 25. Not 26.
Okay, so it didn't compare tag correctly.
No, so it can basically when I got onto the raft,
Yeah.
it worked. But when we did the compare tag, it did not work because we are already on the player raft already.
I am not finding what I'm talking about. Oh, where was it? Oh, it wasn't useful resources, wasn't it? Okay, so it was here. Yeah, here we go. This is what I'm looking for.
Okay.
I think Houdini falls into this category of what C sent the other day. Spending a lot of time working on a task, I should write out a program how to automate it. In theory, you should be like writing the code up ahead, lots of work, and you've had lots of free time.
Of course.
But the reality is usually like you end up writing code, debugging it, rethinking it, and it's ongoing development and no time for original task anymore. I wonder if Houdini...
Don't be this man.
Yeah, Houdini is this is dangerous territory for it.
Hoisted by my own petard.
Yeah, you're the one who planted this seed.
That was something that Krista learned.
Hoisted by my own petard, yes.
Yeah, from my dad's book, actually. My dad, he writes detective books.
They're really cool.
Yeah, they're really cool. So if you ever want to, you know, I can just send the link. He writes good books, guys.
And thank you for following MBTSS.
Thank you for the follow.
And
hello,
Signolex.
Sagna. Is it
Sagna?
Sagna
Yeah.
X? Did I say that right?
You said it right. Hope you're having a nice morning.
And I'm just going to plug my dad's books here, you know?
Yeah.
This is going to be like, I don't watch the stream. And I'm like, you should watch the stream. I'm plugging your books. Oh. Yeah, so the reason why it doesn't work is because when you actually go onto the raft already, this one's running, but this one isn't.
Yes, okay. And you can imagine why. Because the tag needs to be applied to the collider.
Oh, it's not to the collider. I haven't put it on the collider.
It needs to be just applied to all the children. It's not on that one, on the other one.
On the other one,
on the raft.
On the raft. Okay, got it. On all of these colliders?
Yes.
Wow. Hello.
Oh, this can be... Okay.
No, we don't need it on all of them.
Do it on all of them.
Okay.
Maybe it's best to just do it on the center one. Because the thing is, they're all going to enter trigger, and then all going to go...
Oh, God. We only need to run it once. On trigger stay, maybe? Maybe we should do that.
Well, that's a good point, see? Because it's a continuous boost, not just like a...
Okay. So. What's
the game about? Yes, we're going to tell you what the game is about. After this word from our sponsor. No, I'm just joking. This is Claire's dad's making Inspector Pirate, as we were talking about. Find it on Amazon if you're interested. Okay. Anyway, the game is about the life of Mr. Pips.
And we're gonna. Should we roll the trailer? Because
yes.
Timmy's been asking.
Timmy's been asked for trailer.
In a very fruitful world, a strawberry tossed from his bush. His family scattered. Traveling through the seasons. To find his purpose in life. The Life of Mr. Pips, a cute little adventure game, coming autumn 2020.
And I was laughing because as soon as we put the trailer up, Timmy goes, trailer!
Yeah. See, it knocked out our dog. He was so relaxing.
It's so relaxing. It's you know.
Thank you so much.
He's currently dreaming because his paw is twitching.
Oh.
So.
Yeah.
If he ever does it on stream, where he starts dreaming, you'll get to hear what he sounds like when he wakes me up in the middle of the night.
Yeah. That's a very comfy dog.
Oh, thank you, MOB. TSS, he says love.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice
Timmy wants more ruffs. That's some nice games you guys got there. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes, we have a lot of fun making it here on stream.
Yeah, we do.
So if you don't know,
we're making everything pretty much on stream and also a bit off stream as well. But
we stream every Saturday morning at 8 o'clock. So at this time slot for about 2.5 hours or something.
Yeah.
It's been good.
Yeah,
I've been working on this game for about a year. It was supposed to be a 2-month project, but that didn't quite work out as
That's what happens when you do it on stream and you get feature creep like dragons and T-Rexes
like
and
we're
nice
doing
cubes. And
right now. Yeah.
Rafting. I put on trigger stay here.
Yay, nice. Okay, let's
see if it works this time around.
Let's see if it works.
Let's see if it works. See what I did there?
Blame it on us. Yeah, I'm gonna blame it on stream.
Oh, what's happening here? Okay, it's got an error. There's no rigid body attached to Box Collider 3, but a script is trying to access
We have to do probably either in parent or finding children.
Okay, let's go there.
Let's look at the structure.
Let's have a look at the structure.
Oh yeah, obviously the colliders are a child, so we need to find a parent, and it's 2 levels up. Is right? Parent.
It's a parent.
So other, no, on that one, other parent.
Other parent.
Yeah, other dot parent.
Oh my gosh, that sounds like get component in parent.
Okay, you probably had to do dot transform first, because I don't know what we're getting collider. Dot parent. Hey, does anybody write code like this? Because this is fabulous. Now,
Z is watching us. Is that?
Yeah. Who else cringes at code like that?
There you go. Z's gonna be like, I'm just gonna help you out here.
I mean, how else would you solve that problem? Oh, look at them go!
Whee!
Oh, you know what's happening here? Transform.forward is a bit different direction than we're expecting. It's that way.
Whee! It's a trampoline.
It's a trampoline. Okay, so we need probably to either probably turn the collider. I think is the best. Is tag like class type or an interface or something? I don't know why. Don't know Unity. Its tags are just like a tag, basically. It has no other purpose than being an identifying thing for things which are generally the same. So you can easily like identify them in colliders or code or things like that. Either rather than identify them by name. So it doesn't have any other uses as far as I know. Z says, I see this wouldn't happen if we did a code review on resale. We were supposed to do that, weren't we?
Yep. How that?
Okay, so see, how would you best approach this?
We also don't want to have forward. What would we have?
Because I don't want to hook up things
Weird.
Neither. Like, parent. I know it's a bit...
Parent.
What do you call it? When things are...
Parented to a parent because they wanted to find the other and they couldn't because they were a tag. There you go, best description ever.
I'm trying to look for a word.
Hello, how you doing?
How are you doing today, Help? Glad to have you here. And Help has redeemed the chat emote only chat, so we need to enable that. Alright guys, for the next 2 minutes, help us focus as we have now enabled emote only chat.
Well, how are we going to fix our code now?
We are on our own. Yeah.
I'd probably fetch the references to all the relevant game objects in Awake.
Yeah.
That'd probably be a good idea.
That'd be a good idea, Z, but we're not doing that.
Why are we not doing that? I don't know.
But I think it's still forward. What we should do...
Oh, just rotate it?
No, yeah, we should just rotate it. Right? Because it's...
And thank you for the follow.
Hey!
Kibik?
Yes.
I hope I said that right. Say it in emojis.
Yes.
If I said it right, thumbs up.
Hype for all the emojis.
Oh,
we only have 76 seconds left, Claire.
Thanks. How many seconds we have left?
There, 72 seconds.
Ooh, 72? That looks like 20 seconds. No, 69. Okay. Oh.
Okay, so what we need to do, you see the blue is forward.
Yeah.
So we should just rotate this by 90 degrees. Yeah, I think we can just... is it in that direction though? Yeah,
yes,
that looks like more forward.
That worked. We suddenly have like 50 emojis.
Oh no, that's wrong. It's minus 90.
I love all these emojis.
Here we go. Now it's pointing up the direction of there. Should we test and see if this works?
This is the most non-performant thing ever. Whoa. Okay, guys.
Hold on to your berries here.
Now, let me test it out. I want to test it out myself. Whoa! There's 2 of them. Okay, guys, let's hang out together. Bye. I love they're still using like the nav mesh, so they're still getting back down again.
I think this qualifies here. Extreme values.
No. Extreme values. I tell you.
I'm just gonna wait here to hope that another one will come up.
Oh, you're gonna join them, are you?
I'm just waiting. Woohoo!
You can go and hijack his raft, Claire.
Let's go hijack his raft.
You can jump off your raft.
I know, I forgot that. Hello.
Yeah, gonna leave him in the forest. What happens with him in the forest? Is he just lying there then?
I don't know. Let's just check him out.
Yeah. He does not know what to do with his life anymore. He's still floating. He doesn't have the ability to stop floating because he's never supposed to leave water. And the emote-only chat is over, guys. I hope you enjoyed the show of the emote-only chat.
Yep.
Timer's up.
We're just gonna enjoy this, little spinning blueberry.
We has redeemed another emote-only chat. I'm going to give it a little cooldown.
Yeah.
Of a few minutes.
Everyone's just like, again.
Yeah. Well, if chat wants it, then we're gonna have it.
We're gonna have it.
We're not gonna have any cooldown. Cooldown. Too slow. Z is really going for it.
Help is like, I'm gonna spam redeem this chat.
Yeah.
Well, where's our emotes? Can we have the...
We have this, and we have that, and we have this, and we have that. Yeah, okay, we spend our own chat now. Should we get some more appropriate values in here?
No, I think it's... come on. Look at that.
There'll be soon no rafters left in there.
He's so happy about this, though.
Yeah.
He can't say anything. Look, he's like, see, I'm going back in again.
Oh, yeah?
No, it says that they're following the nav mesh to go back down again.
Yeah, they are...
There you go. See, no problem.
Right on track. Back into rafting.
I don't think we need to change. I think these extreme values are completely A-okay. This is what people are going to play the game for, right? Isn't that right, Mr. Pips? Oh, yeah! Oh, crap.
I think we might get some bug reports with it.
What? No.
Oh, yes.
No.
Oh, yes.
What? Okay, I've got a bit of an idea here. So, what happens... Oh, I don't have a collider on me that can do it. Oh, I tried to go onto somebody else's raft whilst he was going.
You can't see what's going on anymore. It's just emojis, Claire.
I know.
That's awesome, guys. Keep the emoji.
Oh my gosh!
What was that?
One of the blue berries hit me.
You're supposed to, hijack his raft.
I know, but I'm trying to wait until I can get like a perfect jump.
All right. Okay, here he comes.
Okay.
That was a very good position. They're all going for it.
No.
He just disappears on the face of the world.
Trying to keep up with the chat, guys.
Oh, sorry, we're not keeping up with the chat.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. So as
5 seconds left.
Pikachu with Mewtwo and Pikachu, and I don't know that one, and I don't know that one, and it's Charizard, and I don't know that one.
And the emote on the chat is up, guys.
Yeah, yeah. Oops, I'm gonna try and hijack one of these, and they go, oh shoot, and they go on this. This is the only reason why I like extreme values, is because it makes the games fun. Come on. Mr. Pips, come on. Stop moving out. Come on.
Oh, helps us. He's redeemed it 3 times. Here we go for another round of emote on the chat. We are spending all our emote on the chat.
Shoot.
But should we get some proper values in? How do you think? Maybe 10? And then have more of these. We can place all of them. Are you upset about the current situation?
I think 10 is pingly.
It's a pingly amount. All right.
Mike does not agree.
What?
Oh, it replaces my face now. I can be Mike. Hello, I'm a Mike. How you doing? Oh, how you doing? How's everybody doing in their email chat today? I'm taking part too.
He's the emote.
He needs an emote.
Oh.
Mike needs an emote, guys.
Yes.
Tell us what you're up to today, guys. What you're working on.
Take it easy.
Say hi. Let us know. In emotes only.
That's the rule.
That is the rule.
Oh yes.
So Timmy is waving as a strawberry. Like this.
That sounds like a productive morning or nighttime as it is for Timmy.
Oh, early morning.
Z says, well played. How you guys have all these emotes? That's amazing. You guys have a good collection.
Oh, Polar Junction has those Nuke Cat ones.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cute.
I don't know many, but I know some. Okay, I've changed it to a more reasonable.
Yeah.
Reasonable. Let's watch them.
That looks nice.
They keep flipping over, but it's fine.
They are stable.
They're stable. They're stable berries.
They have cat-like abilities, always land on their legs.
Maybe
that was still bit powerful, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think it's a bit too powerful. I think we have to lessen it a little bit, but maybe in different areas.
Oh, I have an idea.
We should change it to a serialized field.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we can change it on all different ramps. So not all the same.
Some ramps are more powerful.
Yeah, some are more powerful than others. We should do that.
I think we should also do this. Ever so slightly turn it towards the right.
Ooh.
So it goes a bit more right. But yes, let's make it a serialized field. But we should also make this, unpack that. And let's call this ramp mesh. And then we should make that a prefab. And then we should serialize that field.
Yes, we should. Is that like an instance editable?
Yes. Correct. That is that's what a prefab is. And Timmy finally got to ask her a question because emote only chat is over.
I put it in. I put it in prefabs.
Love many, trust few. Always paddle your own canoe. Canoe. Is that today's saying?
Yes.
Yes, I like that.
I like that. I have to translate terms to Unreal language. That's unreal.
Yeah, that's unreal.
Google Translate doesn't have a, translate to Unreal language, does it? It's pretty bad. Change it from Unity to Unreal. Should have that. You should have that. Right, let's make a serialized field. Let's do this. Okay. There you go. Serialized field. So it's going to be this one here, this value. Mm-hmm. So what should we call it?
Well, float is a good start.
Float's a good start. But what should we call it? Extreme value?
Force?
Force value?
Yeah.
Ramp force. Okay. There you go. Oh, I can't even spell force. There you go.
There we go.
We'll have the default value at maybe like
10. 5?
5, I think.
Yeah.
Let's put it at 5.
That's a good one.
Let's put it there. There you go. Why am I not scrolling to the left? I do not know. There you go.
Oh, that's fascinating. Unreal has Unreal for Unity devs documentation. That is cool.
Really?
Yeah. Unreal is so complicated that you need it, I guess.
I think update loot is like tick in Unreal.
Oh, right.
Really?
Oh, he bought Wallpaper Engine. That's so much fun.
Is that the one where it changes the wallpaper?
I like it. It's on Steam. Like,
yeah,
it's pretty powerful wallpapers. Unity doesn't have an equivalent. Suppose they don't think Unreal devs want to switch to Unity, or they think it's so intuitive and easy that they give good documentation for everyone.
Yes. So I changed that one to 100 over there. That seemed to work. So that's good.
That seems to work.
Yeah, well, I just changed it to 100. There.
Okay.
Just to see how it was, because I was like...
It's just sent all the raft flying into the sky.
Yeah. Pretty much. That's the only reason I'm enjoying this.
Okay, that seems a bit more...
5 is a little bit more...
reasonable, yeah.
And it's still getting slightly stuck, but it's fine. I was on the edge. It didn't work out so well.
Help, I'll note down your link and have a look at it after stream.
Yep.
Thanks for sharing. I'll have a look at it later.
There you go. Now you've got a little bit of a boost.
Ooh.
I like that.
Yeah,
I like
you just went a bit underwater.
But that's fine.
Yeah.
I think. Is that fine?
That's a Fall Guys wallpaper. Oh, that game looks tempting.
Nice.
We've been this close to buying it, and we're like, should we stream it?
We'll see.
But
we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. Right, so
more rafts,
more ramps, not more rafts.
Sorry. Help says, of course you should. Yeah. I didn't put any. I just put it in the top layer environment. That's
fine. I think we'll move it around later.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Where do you think we should have a ramp?
First, switch to global.
Global?
Yes. And now you can just move it and it'll be on the right.
I know. I'm just wondering, do we want one here? Want one there?
Yeah.
I kind of feel like really cool to have one.
3 ramps is enough, and I think they should be all very close to the path. Otherwise, they won't be able to.
You mean the blueberries won't get an advantage? Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm gonna need to have a quick break. Is that okay?
Well, I'm gonna have to place all these down, and you'll be like, whoa. There you go. I'm just gonna place them willy-nilly and see what happens. Maybe we should also have one that just makes them go somewhere else. You just snuggle in the cairn. Just snuggle in the cairn. Fall Guys does look fun, I know. Surf. Fall Guys with the whole Snuti community. That would be so awesome. It'd be awesome if they did crossplay, so then we can play together with. Because Z has Fall Guys, and who else has Fall Guys? There you go.
But he has it on PlayStation.
Yeah, I know. So I wish we could have crossplay thingy.
Oh. Is it a good dog cam angle?
Yeah, I think so. Just Morris is just showing his, his Snuta. That's fine. That's what Snitty's all about. The real terminology of Snuti.
Oh, I was supposed to go, wasn't I?
Yeah.
Sorry.
He's your little. Hey, Snuggles! Now you disturbed Moritz. He is now awoken. Moritz, you upset about this? Yeah. Winky isn't. Oh, Z, you'd get it on PC if you had to. I've not got it, as I think if I do, I won't get any game dev done. Well, it depends, as long as you say you're gonna, play one game or two, or, say you only play at a certain time, then you'll get it done. Your game dev done. And Help has it. Help has Fall Guys. Should make a bigger one. There you go. Right, just gonna play one game, Famous Last Words. Yeah, it works. Flight Sim already derailed my last game. I'm sorry. Timmy doesn't have Fall Guys yet. If we get it, everyone will get it. We'll just slip it into celebratory Snuti stream or something. All of us have to play Fall Guys. Oh, that'll be lots of fun. That'll be fun. I'm getting ideas already here. Maurice, are you alright? Yeah, I'm just sleepy. Okay. Flight Sim's good. Is Flight Simulator really, really long? Because you have to kind of fly each plane?
Claire's wondering the completion time on
time on Flight Simulator.
On how long to beat, yeah? I don't think that game has a completion time.
Okay. I don't know. Let's how long to beat it. I put a nice little ramp here, a little bit of an angle on the path slightly. I'm wondering where else we can put one.
So let's have a quick look here then. There we go. Main story plus extra. It's pretty blank looking.
You can pick where you want to fly. Can you fly to Norway, Timmy?
I think it has all the cities in the world.
All the cities?
Yeah, but some cities are more detailed than others.
Well, they have to make Norway detailed.
Well, I don't think you can just fly and land in Oslo, but you can try Gardermoen probably.
Oh, that sucks. Oh. Can you fly to Cardiff International Airport? That's the question.
Probably just blurry blob they didn't bother to put any effort into.
Timmy tried to land in Snitty's backyard. Well, the hospital is over there, and they've got a helipad at least. So if you can fly there, that's great.
Yeah, bring the helicopter to our helipad. That's actually something quite convenient. There hasn't been any helicopters on our stream.
No, there hasn't been. Okay, touch wood. Now I'm going to make sure I don't jinx it, because they're really loud.
They fly right above us because it's not far away.
You can see your house. My big brother flied over. I guess Help can see his house.
That's cool. And Major Gamer Geek. Hello. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing nice. Good. Sorry. Yeah, I'm awake. Me and Timmy are the awoken ones.
He still has a bit of tea remaining, so.
Yeah.
I've never flown a rotorcraft before. They're a lot different. You should try it out. Well, can you do it on the Flight Simulator? That is a question. How many different planes can you have? That's what I'm curious about.
I never heard expression rotorcraft before, but I assume it means
a helicopter.
Propeller. Oh, is that a helicopter?
I'd assume so, because it's because it has a rotor on top of it.
Ah, okay.
So yeah. I love how it does. What I am.
Timmy uses the right terminology and nobody understands.
Christopher doesn't understand.
Doing well, thank you. That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Thank you for dropping by our stream this morning. You. And if you guys are wondering what we're working on or what we're up to, then please ask.
Yes.
I'm terrible at doing introductions.
I'm just expecting there to be coming to the chat from trailer from Timmy. My license is fixed wing multi-engine land. You're gonna have to Google it. I never heard of that before. Fixed wing
flying fixed wing multi-engine land.
We'll be curious.
That's a fancy license. According to Google image search, it looks like this.
Yeah, well, if you go into the if you went on all.
Oh yeah, okay.
It said that multi-engine flying course. Fixed wing.
Fixed wing. Okay, so that's like a thing in aviation. Yeah, we're learning things.
New things. Like, Timmy, you should add. Are you going to be adding flying vehicles in your game?
She has.
She has.
Okay.
But then you can actually fly.
Yeah, yeah. You can they're upgradable even.
Oh, what?
Right.
I haven't seen this one. Okay. Okay.
If you look at her little trailer up here. There, see? Flying vehicle.
But can you actually fly it?
Yeah,
or do you just like stand on it? What's the opposite of fixed wings? Flappy wings?
Flappy wings, I like that. It's a little bit floppy.
It's a little bit floppy.
Yes. There's a clip for that.
It's a bit floppy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you finished this task?
Well, ish, yes, I think so. I'm just wondering if I want to add one more ramp that might be more beneficial for the player than just these dudes, the little blueberries.
Yes,
you can fly this shit and also bat with them.
That is awesome.
You need to, if you got any like teaser of this, Timmy, because I need to retweet this.
I don't know if she's gotten to aerial battles yet. Guess it's in your to-do list. I haven't seen any, at least.
Oh, I want to retweet it because that sounds so cool. I see so many games that have it where you can go onto a ship, but you can't fly it really that much, or you can't do battle with them. And it'd be really cool to see your game do it. Don't feature creep like we do. This is very trunked.
Yeah, it's probably because it's facing the wrong direction.
I know, but I'm just thinking it's very narrow here anyway.
Which is fine, which is why it's good to have some action there.
Okay, it's good to have some action. Okay, can we have it a bit more off to the side, do you think?
I just think... Oh, maybe put it on that
this one?
log.
Put on that log?
Maybe we should just... that's a good idea. Place it on the log and turn the mesh off.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea.
Brilliant, I tell you.
Oh, brilliant.
Spiffing. Yes. Okay. Almost there. Almost there.
Well, we're getting there. I'm not very good at my 3D space.
Yes.
Did I get that? It's not far.
It's good enough. That's good enough.
Okay. You sure?
Yes.
Okay. Let's just do it. Okay. And then we turn off this ramp mesh.
Yes. There we go. Now we have a log boost.
Oh yeah, I missed this thing. I've seen a GIF where you're flying a ship and shooting at buildings. In the beginning of that video, it flies. One of the videos shows blowing stuff up with the ship. Yeah, that one. I haven't finished the flying AI yet, so I haven't shown ship to ship yet.
All right. Yeah, it's firing.
Oh, that's neat.
I have not seen that.
No.
Yep.
It's super cool.
We're pumped for this game.
Yeah,
just a year and a half away, isn't it?
Do you post all of your GIFs as well on Image Gear? Timmy.
Maybe we should. This has 2,600 views. I heard Imager is a good place to get discovered as well. I just never tried it.
Yeah, let's go on this ramp. Whee!
That's nice. Camera goes underwater again.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just make that log the booster instead. This one seems a bit out of place. I don't like how far the camera goes underwater.
Yeah. They're all moving out, not going on this
Some of
one.
them do go towards it occasionally. That's nice.
Yeah.
That felt good.
Should we try and fix that?
Yeah, I think we should maybe consider moving the other ramp to that log there.
Okay. I was thinking more about the clipping underneath the water.
Oh, that's a hard issue.
You're making some impressive progress, I must say, and yes, you post on Image Gear as well. I want to buy a Stream Deck. Is it still good if you don't stream? Yes.
Yes. I think that Stream Deck is one of my favorite investments. Yeah, absolutely this year. I bought the
Chris
large.
uses it for everything.
I bought the large one, and it's amazing, because you can, as long as you like know a little bit of scripting yourself. I write lots of like PowerShell scripts to automate certain things on my computer, like when I'm remixing recordings or something. I just have a button hooked up there to do it. And for example, if I'm changing audio outputs, I use what do you call it?
Voice meter
and have things hooked up to that, so I can automate it on my Stream Deck. And my big recommendation then is to check out Barrator. He is really awesome. He is probably the guy who's contributed the most to the community, and he live streams his development.
Yeah, he does. That's how you found out about him, wasn't it?
Yeah, he's been in our chat once as well and hanging out. I'm linking him in a Twitch chat right now. That's Barrator. So he makes lots of really good stuff for the Stream Deck, and you'll find, and also shares it on his Discord.
That's true. You really need to stream at some point. Yes, Timmy, you need to stream. You need to stream.
And ask me for all that advice, you know?
Don't ask Chris to ask me. I post image guru pictures, but only set to private, so only with a link can you see it, because if you set image pic to public, image users will tell me off. Why would they tell you off?
For being promotional. I was wondering if you should do this. Isn't that a good idea?
Oh, that's a good idea.
And then move.
Oops.
You
put it into 2D mode. But promotional and like, I mean, it's kind of like show off.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of like...
It's supposed to be only non-promotional memes and not advertisement.
Is it?
I don't know. I don't
know.
I'm just guessing.
Oh man, there's a storm. Oh no. Oh no. And hello. 8zap.
Hello. Hope you're doing well today. And having a nice time.
I posted once public to Image Guru and people were so sour. I got 100 downvotes. That is so mean.
I have no idea how Image works, so...
I think Reddit is probably a little bit nicer then, apparently.
It's also a rough place to be.
It is a rough place to be. Just stay on Twitter. Everybody likes Twitter. Everybody's nice on Twitter.
Yeah, but it's good to try and experiment and also try to figure out maybe there's like a way you can do it better. And try to use. Don't give up on the promotional channels.
Reddit nicer? Well, maybe slightly nicer. I wouldn't get 100 downvotes.
It's nicer if you post in the right subreddit with the right title.
And if you're doing like show off, where you're showing off what you've been doing, then people are like, oh wow.
Careful asking for feedback. That can be rough. Yeah, Z's had some bad experience asking feedback there as well. So
yeah, okay.
I understand.
Yeah.
Hello, Barrator. Barrator felt he was. I just bugged you, man. Are you there sitting in the background listening to us? Like, that's awesome. Yeah. So if anybody is up for Stream Deck stuff, be sure to check out Barrator, as I was saying earlier.
So we're using that quite a lot, actually.
Yeah. No, just arrived. Oh, I've just plugged your stream like 2 minutes ago.
Maybe he felt it was his calling.
Ah, yes. That's awesome. Because Help DK was asking if you should buy a stream. I was like, yes, I love it for non-stream related tasks. That Collider was a bit weird.
It was really weird.
Should we move that rock a bit down?
I think so. The
left rock, yeah?
The left rock needs to be moved down.
Or should we just get a different collider on it? Nah, just move it down. Or maybe angle it a bit. Can I?
Okay, Chris.
I got plans here.
No underwater camera post-processing?
Yeah, we need. Should we fix that this stream?
Yeah, I think so.
Well,
the thing is, we were going to do it one stream, and you're like, nah, I won't do it.
My conclusion was we shouldn't let the camera go underwater, but I see that with these new ramps, it's impossible.
Yeah, it's like feature creep plus one.
So, okay, we're going to work on underwater camera next. So, one feature creep leads to another feature creep. I felt a disturbance in the force. How are you two doing? We're doing good, Barrator. Yesterday we just finished our trailer for our game, so we're very pumped about that. And Mr. Pips is slowly but surely making progress. And if anybody, we put it up on itch, haven't you? The trailer?
Yeah, it's up on itch.
Yeah, so be sure to check out our itch if you want to see our trailer. But also, that's a nice jump.
That was a nice jump.
Yeah, just need underwater processing. Should we play the trailer again?
We should. Tim is requesting it.
He would love to see it.
Yeah.
In a very fruitful world, a strawberry tossed from his bush. His family scattered. Traveling through the seasons. To find his purpose in life. The life of Mr. Pips, a cute little adventure game coming autumn 2020.
Ah, wasn't that delightful, guys?
So emotional.
And yeah, I don't have an exclamation itch command. I do have games command. Exclamation games, I think. Oh, sorry, I can type here. If you do that, you will get check out a game set. Yeah,
that one.
I should probably have an itch command as well, or write that as an alternative. Thank you, I'll note that down.
And hello, Josh. Josh for TV.
Yes, sorry, I didn't say hi to you.
He was asking how the game is going, so
the game is going
good.
Going straight in.
That's awesome. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Trailer, but very few, much of it.
How many times have you seen the trailer now? You've seen it like 7 times?
Yeah, I was on Twitter wrong, and I was like, oh, I should respond to everybody, and I just looked at the trailer views, and it's had like 1,000 views on it at Twitter.
Oh,
like,
yeah. It's one of our best performing posts.
It is actually.
Yeah. It gets me in the heart rate every time. Oh, yeah. Tar deg hjerterota.
Yeah. I was just the window. It's getting stormy outside.
Okay.
So. Oh, yes. So, post-processing. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, my little seaweed. Whee! Hello, my little seaweed.
Are you happy with how we organized
I like that.
the ramps in the hierarchy?
I'm gonna move them, but you know.
But you know. Should we throw them into characters?
Probably should.
Bottom of the characters?
Bottom of the characters.
Yeah, they're definitely characters. These guys got feelings and emotions.
There you go. All the feels. And thank you for the follow, G-Tendra Nanny? The Nanny? Yeah, did I say it right?
Ah, thank you. I retweeted it. It's gonna blow up, this trailer. Oh, that's awesome, Timmy. Thank you. Hope it's not gonna blow up this way. We're doing great.
Hope not.
Okay.
Let's add some post-processing and whee!
Yeah, we can do that in the lighting and effects.
Yeah, I think we already have. No,
nope, not here.
No, we don't.
Just
create a new one. This is create. Where is it?
Did have one there?
It's in volume, isn't it? No.
Yep, try that. Volume.
Box
volume.
volume.
Try that.
Is it? It's not this one.
What is this? Okay, remove that script from it. It's fine. Just
roof component, and then it's here, isn't it?
Let's search for volume, I think. Maybe it's called volume. Just do the volume. Yeah, local. Blend. Okay, it is the right thing.
Okay,
we just need to hook up a profile.
Hello.
Don't press F.
Post-processing. Oh yeah, we've got like the post-processing crave, so cave.
Yeah.
No, don't press F, because oh my gosh. Let's just. I know how to do it. I just need
my
to
hands are itching right now to assist with 3D space.
No, because I can just do this. You know,
yes, that's clever.
Like,
that's what I was thinking to do.
Wherever it's like, I can't remember where it is again, but it was, isn't it? Align with view. No, move to view. There you go. It's close enough. Close enough. Let's just make him like super large. Scale 100. Extreme values. There you go. Now we'll just
probably not that tall then.
No, probably
easier
not that
to deal with if it's like 10 tall. No, the Y value.
The Y value. Sorry, my bad. Oops, 11. Hey. Then it's hard to see. It's like.
Then bring it up, lad. Gonna fight about this.
Okay, let's just see where it is.
Huh.
Yeah. There you go. It's a ginormous volume, but hey ho.
I think you need to bring it a bit further up though.
Wait. So we can see it, or just because?
No, because it's actually too low in the water.
Ah, okay, there you go.
You need to bring further.
Further?
Zoom into the water, you can see what you're doing.
There you go. That better?
That's probably too far.
That's too far, yeah, okay. I thought so. There.
She's not gonna zoom in.
I'm not gonna zoom in.
I'm gonna leave you to your 3D space by yourself. Okay, this is fine.
This is fine.
Yes.
Oh shoot, I'm not zooming out. There you go. Oh, now it looks like horrible water. Ew.
Brainode Games, good morning, we have an what? Adaption for poor berries. What does that mean? I have no idea what it's talking about.
I don't know.
Is there a poor berry community here?
Is there what? No. And later, everyone, gotta go get some sleep. Now, thank you so much for joining us, Sagnex. We hope you have an amazing evening and sleep well and have an amazing weekend too. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
992 views.
Ooh, it's getting there.
It's getting there.
And if you're
Almost
wondering
1,000.
what we're talking about our Twitter. Don't we have Twitter here? We don't have Twitter here.
It's in the description. It's down below.
It's down below. We don't have a shortcut for it. Everyone, please follow Snuti. Thank you.
Aw.
Thank you for following, Connor.
Thank you for the follow. Post-processing is equal to eye adaptation.
Oh. Is that what you call it?
Oh.
Yes.
So they can see the water.
Yes.
Okay, so we're underwater now.
Oh, that looked like it worked, except it doesn't look very watery.
It looks very bloomy.
Super
It's very
blue.
bloomy. There you go. Oh my gosh.
Well, we can just play it and see if we see the post-processing happening, even if it looks like garbage. I think we have the fade time on too high. It needs to be like instant on and off.
That's true. What do we have the fade timer on it? Blend distance, weight, priority.
Yeah, the blend is on zero.
Maybe it's because why does it look like it didn't do anything now?
Maybe it needs to set on high priority? No.
No, I don't think so. The weight is high. Just put like weird tint. There.
Seems to work.
The blood. This is like, the blood river. all the dead strawberries. Can I just maybe go in? No, we disabled that, didn't we? Oops.
The camera should not
Okay. So
really enter water, but it kind of does anyway.
Kinda does. Kinda does.
Yeah, that worked.
That worked.
Okay, we just need to make it look good now.
Yeah, we need to make it like, yeah.
Bar Raider says RIP strawberries. What? Is that for the blood bloom?
The blood bloom.
Okay.
The blood bloom.
Claire.
Yeah, okay, I will let Chris because he loves
You know
his
what you
colours.
just done?
What did I just do?
You messed with the post-processing. Can you undo?
Why? What have I done wrong?
You messed with the post-processing of our cave.
Oh shit. Oops.
Okay. Do you remember what you clicked on? The tint is supposed to be off.
I didn't change any of this, I don't think.
I think you messed with the scattering, didn't you?
Maybe?
Okay, you know what we can do?
Yeah.
Git is our friend.
Git is our friend.
Yeah.
Git be our friend.
Oh, I don't have a button for Git. You also need to apply the low pass filter on master audio bus while under the feature creep. That is not important for just like going underwater for 1 split second.
Yeah.
I mean, if we were making a swimming game, sure.
But we're not.
Feature creep achieved. You can look at the clip. What clip? We're talking about the clip. Was there a clip made?
Is the clip made?
Does I see like a log of that? I don't see it.
I don't see it, I don't think.
Whoa, is that source control?
Yes,
That is source control, indeed. Timmy,
If you're not using source
you're
control,
not using source control,
please.
I pray to all the source control gods that
You start using source control.
using source control. And if you want any advice, please ask me, because
we have lost projects from it.
yes, and
So.
also the ability to revert mistakes like we just did.
Yes. Which is where is that?
And if you want to experiment with something random without breaking everything, make a branch. You know,
I don't see it here.
it's free. This is GitHub for desktop.
It's free.
It's
It is free, my dear.
Quite
It
easy
is
to
free.
use, and you know what? I'm gonna plug a video.
Yeah. You're gonna plug a video. Ooh,
Yes.
you're plugging a video. If you clicked anything, you can see it in the clip. I'm confused. Bar Raider says if you clicked anything, you can see it in the clip.
I don't know what we clicked. What have we clicked?
And thank you for the follow, pleased skin.
Oh, thank you. I'm so sorry, Bar Raider, that I don't not understand what you're talking
Yeah,
about.
I want to know what I need to delete before you. Yeah.
Just find it in Hurricane, isn't it there?
I don't see it. I don't think it's been saved on it.
Oh, maybe not.
I don't think so. I haven't pressed save here.
Oh.
So maybe it hasn't been. If I press save here, it probably will. Wherever this one is. There you go.
There,
Now it came
that
up.
one.
Discard.
Okay, so it was one value that was changed.
Yeah.
Hmm.
There you go. There was just the tint, Krista. I didn't change anything. Okay, we're gonna make a... Can I clone this one then? Oh my gosh, I don't know what I just did. Yes, I did it. I did it. Okay, can I rename it? Let's find it. Post-processing. Rename to post-processing. Underwater.
Bar Raider explained himself. Sorry that I didn't understand you earlier.
I was talking about the post-processing of the cave. Never mind.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. Think of it like this. Make it a game without source control. It's like flying a plane without a parachute.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
But we always do that, lol. I don't get what you mean. Duda. What do you mean? Danny?
Who is Milkan? I don't know who Milkan is.
I don't know. Danny?
Maybe it's Danny.
Danny?
Could be Danny.
Danny?
I'm not finding what I was looking for.
What are you looking for?
I was looking for Robert Lang. Is that
Robert Lang. Milk Gang?
Yeah, Danny, the mysterious one.
I don't know who the Milk Gang is. You still not see him? Is he called Rob Lang? I would just go for Rob Lang instead of going for all the Unity stuff. Take it.
I have it in my subscription somewhere. Just there's plenty to choose from.
Well, did you?
There, found it.
I think I've got rid of this now. So this one is the underwater one. Yes.
Here it is. This video from Rob Lang. He tells you how to do source control, and this is Unity, but it's very similar process for Unreal as well.
I think it is.
Because you just need to add in the right type of git ignore file, so you don't like back up your library and your really heavy stuff. But yeah.
And Git has a 2 gig limit. What's the limit again?
Yeah, so you need to, depending on the size of your project as well, depends a bit. But you might want, for example, use what do you call it?
Bitbucket? No.
Bitbucket instead.
No, but I think Bitbucket had another restriction because somebody moved to GitHub because of that.
Okay.
I can't remember what it was again. Wasn't it UZ who had that? That you moved from Bitbucket to GitHub or something?
Yeah. Anyway.
Yeah, we're going to do this. Claire? Yeah, you wanted to do it?
Can I?
You can do it because I know you like it. I know you like it.
I love this.
Favorite thing. Yeah, it's a 1 gig LFS. What was LFS?
Large file system. Or something.
It seems GitHub has a smaller limit, so.
Similar.
Oh, similar. I read it wrong. I'm sorry. My apologies.
My project is like 30 gigabytes.
Yeah.
But that's the thing. Like, for example, with Unity, you wouldn't back up your library folder, which is like really big.
Yeah. Because
that folder can be generated from your assets.
So, if I just move this over here. So you can see, for example, like for us.
Yeah, bring it
assets, isn't it? There. Yeah. We have like most of our.
So in our Unity project here, you have a git ignore file right here, which tells it to not back up, for example, the library folder. This is a massive folder which Unity generates to keep everything snappy and uses for build and everything, and keeps like compiled scripts and stuff. While the assets is where you keep all your own stuff for your own project, and this will be in the source control, for example. So yeah, things like that. So then it shouldn't be too big what you put into your source control. Git is only really good for ASCII files. Yes, that is admittedly true, but it does handle other types of files fairly well these days. For binary files, you should use something else. That's where the Git LFS came from. Yeah, large file storage. Sorry, not system. I got it from earlier. Ooh, I get to do post-processing. That's exciting. That doesn't look very much underwater. Okay, have we created a new profile? Yes, Claire created a new profile. I wasn't paying attention apparently. I think we should start with nothing. Underwater post. I'm just gonna look at some reference, as I've never done underwater post processing, but I think I can do it. Just eyeballing it a little bit. Oh, this is probably actually quite a good reference, because this is real life. Yeah, I read about that. Removing posts or water. Maybe that was too bad. Artifactor or Nexus. I think they are the paid options, aren't they, Bar Raider? Yes, we need lots of fog, don't we? Okay, we'll figure this out. That's Subnautica. Well, that's a good example as well. Right, I'm gonna remove all our override. I heard of Perforce before. They don't say how much until you get a quote. Yeah, so that's getting expensive. Hello, Sky Arcania Dev. Welcome to the Snuti stream. Hope you're having a lovely morning, because we sure are. C worked on a project with a few guys that was about 20 gigabytes. Used BitTorrenting for sharing the big assets, which was ignored by Git. All right.
Come back in. Hello, if I missed anything. Hello, Sky Arcania Dev.
Yes. Okay, I have scope creep issues. Lots and lots of scope creep issues. For those who don't know, JavaSource is currently participating in the extra credits jam. You need to not have scope creep issues. I hope you figure out what you're even working on for your jam, but okay.
Well, why is it suddenly saying this?
Because I'm...
you did a little stuff, are you? I
have removed everything.
Oh, okay.
Right, so we can start with what we want. So I think first thing we want is lots of fog.
We need some Panini projections.
Can you have
Panini?
Fog overwrite? Depth of field, film, lens distortion?
I don't think so.
Oh, there's no fog.
No, I don't think you can have that.
Okay, that threw me off. We have to call that ourselves.
Hello!
Hey, Koki.
Koki of D12.
Yes.
So what I have so far is a tile system and a working A star system. And I realised I need so much art. And then I realised I'm doing this solo.
Good luck. Game jams are tough for that exact reason, isn't it?
Do you also have like assets from Kenny and Al and things like that?
I guess you could use those, yeah. Unless there's I don't think that's against the rules for the extra credits jam.
I don't know.
Right, so which one should we start with? We should probably start with the Shadow Midtones highlights.
Yes.
It's probably a good one. We want to just make everything blue.
Blue.
Or
ultimate blue.
We also want to make everything darker. So do we have like one for making... We can use lift gamma gain for it as well.
You have motion blur, which might be a little bit more. No, that wouldn't be it. I'm talking about fog.
Let's move this one up. And then let's pull the gain down.
Make it darker.
Make it darker.
Timmy has never done a game jam before.
Well, we should try it. It's so much fun.
It's fun.
What is happening here?
And thank you for the follow, Night Skies.
Hey, thank you.
No, but they have to be 1-bit assets since I'm limited to 4 colors.
Oh, yes, you're doing that. Oh, that's challenging. Well, I guess you could recolor his 2D sprite pack in a way. Because he has like a really good one for pushes.
Oh, okay.
Just a few colors.
Is this project for the game jam? No. This is.
Sorry, we were just chatting about the game jam.
This is the life of Mr. Pips, which I don't know where the link is. For it.
You're talking about this is the pitch here, right there.
There you go. We're working on Life of Mr. Pips, a delightful adventure game where you play as an adorable little strawberry who's trying to find his place in life. Explore a fruitful world as Mr. Pips, find your scattered family, and go leaf rafting with cute blueberries. And right now we're just trying to fix some underwater.
Okay, there's a bug here. Do you guys notice what I've been clicking on?
What?
If I click there, it jumps to the yellow.
And you can't do anything?
Can't move it. I'm supposed to just like barely touch it, and it just... Thank you, Unity.
Maybe Unity doesn't like you today.
No, I can't... What is this?
Maybe reset it. Like, turn off the gamma and try it again.
The gamma... Well, it happens with this one as well.
Oh.
Right?
That's weird.
Does it happen with this one? Yes. How can I do any color correction with this behavior?
Maybe remove this and try again.
Or restart Unity?
Or restart Unity. Either or. And thank you for the follow!
Thank you.
Cookie if D12.
Okay, I'm gonna give Unity a little restart, guys. This stuff is too hard for me, so Timmy does 3D modeling, you know?
Yeah.
Just thinks the easy way. I do agree, though.
Yeah.
I would much rather work in 3D. It's so much more perspective and freedom to cover up your mistakes, and to the art you actually have to. Yeah, sorry.
And Chris is like lingering on the opening the Unity hub, and he doesn't open it.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you for clicking the button for me.
Oh, first things first. I feel like I can get so much work done watching this. I don't know why. It's just so very chill.
Oh yeah, that's glad to hear that, nice guys. Thank you so much. Hey, we need some winky love in here. Oh yes.
No more top-down sprites. That reduces the amount of sprites immensely. Just spent nearly an hour debugging an issue only to find this one word typed wrong.
So that's why you need some relaxing time at the Snuti stream.
Isn't that kind of like always the way?
That's always the way.
That is always the way. Let's see now. Nope.
Okay, has anybody experienced this with Unity? Do we need to upgrade to a newer version, or?
We didn't have this the other day though.
I have done this before.
You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just like delete this. Because I didn't have it a few minutes ago.
That's true. I'm doing the shadow highlights thingy, for example. Because you can do that one, and that works. The one on the bottom, but the one on top just does not want to collaborate.
No. I mean, you remove the entire override thingies, and let's just, you know.
Try the other one, yeah?
Try the other one.
Lift gamma gain is on the bottom there. So I don't want to tint the bloom.
No, I don't know what's going on then.
Okay.
So.
But we will avoid those. Which is it's possible to avoid them, because we can, for example, just darken it first.
If you're on 2019 LTS, you get the free dark theme. Yeah, well, we haven't gone to that one.
We might go there.
We might go there.
It's not a priority
project
yet.
I cling to hope one day for the glorious return of Party Boar.
Ah, you mean this boar?
It's a bit flippy.
Oh yes.
Just blame Windows Update. Nah, blame Unity.
Can we do... No, tone mapping is not what we need. We already run that, I think, on everything. Okay. Color lookup. We could use that, but not quite what I want.
How did you animate the water? That is with a shader.
Which we have written in ShaderGraph. And it's a lot of fun. It's a mesh made in Blender, which has its UVs wrapped in the circle. And then... just lots of polygons, so they can be animated.
Second. No. Just have to use these.
Can we use the arrow keys? If I click on this one, can I like...
No.
Nope, that does not move.
I'm just gonna... Where's my phone? You stole it from me earlier. You took it from me earlier. There, it's on the other side of that.
Sorry.
I'll just do some research.
Yeah.
See whether there's a bug with that. Bug.
Here, if we can throw a color filter, this probably will do the trick, because we can avoid using that. There we go. That looks like water, right?
That looks like water.
Bring the gain up a little bit. What's up?
Which I absolutely love. What do you love, Dr. Javasaurus? Party boar?
The party boar. He loves the party boar.
My shader graph doesn't work.
Oh, that sucks.
That sucks. Why doesn't it work? Not back to the camera.
Why does saturation not have any effect? That's not turning black and white. I need to move it up.
Probably move it up.
Saturation.
I don't see anything about it. It might just be like, well, we have everything open type of thing. Maybe something's interfering with it.
Might be something interfering with it.
Probably something interfering with it.
But yeah, okay, that one doesn't work. Unity, where like half of the features you need work.
It might be your computer because I'm not sure whether... I should just test it on mine, see if it functions.
The contrast doesn't change anything either. Pulse exposure.
I was going to take a peek on here.
Doesn't work neither.
See if it's your PC. If it's your PC, then know what the problem was.
Do you know any online video game engines? My PC can't move Unity. No, well, there's a lot of choice to choose from. But I would know, for example, one which is popular right now, which I never tried myself, is Core, because they're like sponsoring lots of game jams and stuff, and they're like easy to get started, and it's kind of more like a game. But yeah, actually, Night Skies has a good suggestion. Scratch is also a good one. That one I have played around with. But yeah, that's a really good place to start. I get away saying that pipeline on doesn't support the master node. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm on URP. That's strange. Then maybe your version of shader graph is not the same as version supported by URP. So you need to go to your window, package manager, and make sure you update shader graph to the same version as URP in this one.
That is true. About that.
If you get that error. Pico 8 is also a cool engine.
I'm just waiting for it to open up there.
Okay.
Core looks really... it's Unreal. They wrote their own editor, and you can script in Lua somehow. I don't know.
Yeah, so Core is built upon Unreal Engine, and they use Lua script to make logic. Lua is a really easy language to learn. We've written plenty of Lua ourselves in the past using Cron SDK. I don't recommend Cron SDK, but Lua is a fun language. And also, like, all World of Warcraft add-ons and stuff is written in Lua. It's very common to have that as like a top layer language on top of other things. So yeah. Went to make a low poly tile shader today and just didn't work. Oh, that's sad. It says it's up to date. Sorry, I have no idea then. 2 GB of RAM, which is not enough. Yes, I brought the WoW.
No, it's broken here as well. I think it's buggy.
Is it doing the same for you?
Yeah, it's doing the same for me. Yeah.
Right. I guess we gotta try upgrading Unity version at some point.
At some point.
Yeah, but in the meantime, we can use the color filter. Is that the right underwater effect, guys? What more should I add to
What I
this?
find strange is the fact that we did manage to edit it a while back.
Yes, I do remember being able to. Because we did that actually in this version of Unity.
Yeah, with the cave. So that's why I'm confused why it's not functioning.
That is so strange.
Maybe they broke it somewhere along the way.
Z says he wrote the WoW add-on in Lua once, and I did as well. I made an add-on which expanded the what is it called? When you control click an item and you preview it on yourself, to make that window like massive, so you could see a gigantic preview. That's
that was really neat.
That's the add-on I did.
And hello, Bruit. Hello, good morning.
Hope you're doing well today, Bruit. Nice to have you here.
I used Lure only like once. Oh, we used Lure.
Plenty.
Because we originally worked with Cron SDK when we were making one of our first games in 2012.
Yeah.
So we were writing everything in Lua, and yeah. That game never got finished.
I think we can use some split toning.
Going to reinstall URP. That sounds like a good idea.
Yep.
And thank you for the follow, Alash Remote. Hope we got that right. I think my fave language other than C++ is Visual Basic. Oh, Visual Basic.
Do you like
that? Takes
that?
me back. I do.
Yeah.
But I don't know what the difference comparing.
Well, the difference is this.
Oh yeah, that's quite a big difference.
Yeah. So what have we done here? We've done a little color filter, which is blue everything, and we're split toning to make darker purple and brighter cyan. And then we also just cramp up the gamma to reduce contrast and down with the gain.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think that that looks more natural now.
That looks more natural. Yeah. Looks underwatery.
Yeah. If I do gizmos off, look at that.
Oh, that looks nice. Looks snazzy.
Yeah, I mean, I would love the fog.
Yeah, no, I looked on. You'd have to add the fog separately. That's not with this.
Yeah, okay. So
you see, we've got fog there.
Yeah.
If you didn't click on it, so it's a particle system.
Not that fog. We're talking about probably height fog.
Oh, height fog. Yeah.
Ooh, we could use this one as well.
But then I think you've got to create two, don't you? That's a global one.
Yeah. We could try to duplicate this. Can you have multiple? Yeah, you can have multiple.
There's a global one. Okay, we'll try. Visual Basic was the first thing I learned.
It's also one of the first languages I tried.
I didn't.
But I couldn't do anything in it. Can I not move this thing?
No, it's a global one. I think you can create a non-global one as well.
Oh,
if you see
height fog global, yeah. Oh, we're supposed to add the height fog non-global.
Yeah, I think so. So we'll do height fog. We have an override.
Yeah, try that then.
Per object as well.
Let's try override. Or maybe per object, and then add it to the underwater. Just delete this then.
Okay. Let's go into where was I? On this one?
That one, yeah.
And then add it in here. Why is it all the way? Hello, what are you doing there?
Have we messed up our skybox now?
I'm not sure.
Disable.
Undo.
No, just turn that underwater thing off and on. Yep. But I think if you play the game, it's going to rectify itself. Just play game.
Okay.
Because I think we override the sky color. Yep. And now unplay.
Well, I can't. Press ask.
Ah, sorry. Okay. Okay, our skybox is fine. No longer green.
No longer green.
Hey, Nick and Z. I was here for the trailer, or didn't it get played? It's been played plenty, Z and Nick.
Maybe add a vignette to simulate.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what that is. Squinting. Okay.
I usually miss the stream because I wake up too late, says Bruit.
Back from the shopping, what did I miss? Well, we now got boosted rafts.
Yes, that's happened, and we work on underwater lighting, and we've been playing the trailer plenty.
It needs a mesh renderer.
Yeah, okay. Then we should... Or
maybe we should just do the override on this one. Maybe?
Ooh, if you remove this, then we actually have a mesh for the water, don't we? Oh no, that won't work.
No, that won't work.
I think we should add in like...
Override?
Yeah, try that. Yeah.
Okay. Volume, distance, fade, visibility, so put it like really high. Does it change it everywhere? That's a problem, like... I don't think so, I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'm missing all the chat because Krista is elsewhere, not reading anything, as usual.
What?
How are you all today? Usually I miss a stream because I wake up too late. You woke up early today, Bruit. And we're doing very good. How are you doing? Wow, this game is beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is Python a good language to make games? I don't know. We've never made games.
You have something called Pygame, but it's quite rare to make games in Python. I would say it's not the common recommendation, but it's possible. It's possible to make games in any language.
I love this. Timmy, you missed Party Boar! And trailer, says the... Yes. I was here for the trailer. Did I get played again? It's got played a few times, Nick. Check out Pygame. And hello! I can't even... I got this like... Galdrin. Hello! Timmy must soon sleep.
Oh, can't be woken forever.
We're doing very good. How are you doing? Will this game be available on Switch? No, it won't. Because this is our first ever game, so we can't release on Switch, unfortunately.
We're not that far away.
We're releasing this on itch only at the moment because we have a deadline that we need to do.
Yes.
So what on earth have you made?
I am testing out a little bit to see if I can comprehend this a bit better.
Oh, okay. For the override?
Yes. If I turn the mesh render off here, can we make a fog here?
Material. Okay, I'm going to do this.
What on earth is this? No, I don't want material.
And thank you for the follow glitch.
Hey, thank you.
Oh, it's so nice of you to stay here for the stream. Oh, Nick. Oh, you're so nice. Turn off the skybox fill on the override. Is what Z says.
Oh, all right. He knows what he's talking about.
He knows what
skybox. Oh. No, it is off.
Night, says Timmy. Have an absolutely awesome night, Timmy, and thank you for joining us. As usual, you are the awoken one.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Timmy, for hanging out.
Hope you have an amazing weekend and week ahead of you. And we can't wait to see more of your game.
Yes. Is Java an easy game language to make a game with? I know that...
Javasaurus?
No.
No?
What is his name again?
I don't know.
Cinematrix.
Tin Matrix.
Yeah, Carl from Tin Matrix. He makes his games in Java, and they're pretty epic, and he makes the best devlogs on YouTube.
And thank you for the follow, Momo994. And so I think I've caught up with everything. Yeah, this game, as Nick was saying, this is made in Unity.
Oh yes.
We have never made a game in Java, so we have no experience, unfortunately.
Which is then C# is the language we use for this game. Plug your Twitter here, Timmy. Your game looks good. Yes, please do.
Unless she's fallen asleep.
She might no longer be the awoken one, but here is Timmy's Twitter, and she's working on a very cool game. And
thank you for the follow, Don Canas. Did I say that right?
Yes.
And Night Skies has managed to get the shader graph thingy to work by the looks of it. I didn't assign a pipeline asset, so it works now.
So Z, he's the only person probably around here who has experience with this one. How can I make a local fog underneath this water here? Because it does not seem to be working right now.
Fog fill? Is it 0?
He said to put that to 0.
Oh, he said to put it to 0, okay.
As far as I understood.
Did he say that? Or did he...
Do I need a fog preset material? Let's see here. No, you don't need a material. Fog intensity is all the way up.
You need to turn off. Okay, so this is 0, yeah.
Volume distance fade. Maybe that's the problem. Volume visibility. Oh.
I was set as a 1. Yeah, give me a few minutes to see.
He launches up into this. See, I didn't mean it that badly, but okay.
Keep moving up and down all the time, so I'm getting confused.
The reason I move up and down because this is a height fog. We have set the fog to start from 0 to 200. I know we're in that space right now. We're on about height 70 here.
Yeah, okay.
Which means that we should be seeing fog here. Because if we take this height fog here and turn this up to 1.
Yeah, okay.
Right, you see the fog off in the distance there.
Look at the demo scene for atmospheric height fog.
Too much effort.
It has an example of how to use the volumes.
Oh, that's probably what we're missing then.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably right there. Okay.
Do we even have the demos? I bet
we don't have the demo
scene. I bet we don't have the demo scene. We're like that.
Nobody imports the demo scenes.
I know where it is. It's isn't it boxophobic?
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, there it is. Core. Demo.
We have the demo. We have the demo scene. Okay, press save.
Scroll down. Yeah, open that one.
Demo.
Override. Okay, so here we got override. Does that mean...
Zoom in, maybe?
Wait a second. Ooh, something happened, didn't it? Didn't I say a flicker?
I didn't see it.
Oh, okay.
You can do it off stream. Thanks for the hinty. Use a fog that doesn't reset. Rest colors in the nearest area. I don't see what the override is doing.
No, me neither.
Can you like zoom in because it's like really confusing when it's so far away?
Okay, here.
There you go.
That's interesting. So here's a global environment. Okay, that's what we don't need to worry about.
And greetings all. Hello, cat peasant. How you doing? I don't see anything. This
is supposed to be a green override, isn't it? Fog color green, volume visibility. But where's the location of it? Is it like only in play mode?
Maybe.
Oh.
That changed then.
Okay, we need to be closer. Okay. So it happens... Okay, not only in play mode.
Oh, see, update mode on load. Real time.
No, that didn't do anything.
That didn't change anything. Oops.
A volume distance fade. So 15 is the distance. So if I turn it to like 150, does that make that?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that worked.
That worked.
Okay. But can you make it like very accurate on the distance above and below water?
Good, thank you. How is everyone here? Oh, we're doing good, and Snutibot is also doing good. How are you doing? And tell us what you're up to today. Working on anything cool, taking it easy, say hi and let us know. That's what the Snutibot says. Everyone has to respond to the Snutibot, right?
That's interesting. So that's the... Okay. Interesting.
It has a box collider, and it will fade from the edges of the collider using the distance fade setting. Okay.
Oh, right. So if I put that to 0... Oh, I don't understand it.
Let's turn like gizmos on.
Oh, that might be good. Oh!
So that's what he was saying. The box collider.
Oh. What? Okay. Starting to make sense now. So this is a fade, and that's the box. All right. So when you're inside of this, it occasionally shows. Why you don't make sense?
Oops. If you set that to 150 and then you're blending 150 units, it pretty much fills the area.
Yeah, which is what happened here when I put this up to 150. Thank you for explanation, Z.
I'm working on a VR interaction system, and I hate it. Why do you hate it, Night Sky? If you set it to 0, it'll basically be the box collider.
Okay, so here's the box collider. All right, so it needs this.
Yeah.
And if I set that to like size 10, 10, 10. Okay, here, now it's filled up. But that's the thing. I'm certainly outside the volume now. Oh, this is so confusing.
It's confusing. It is confusing.
I feel like I'm outside it, yet everything is green.
Nick says he uses the emojis on other people's channel and always get nice responses.
Oh, I'm glad to hear that, Nick.
It's negative now. I don't think it works with negative values.
Yeah, it seems to break on...
Yeah, it does break on negative values.
But at the same time, like, this preview is not the size of this collider.
Maybe not working entirely as intended. I mean, why do we want to have fog underwater anyway?
Okay, so Z is also agreeing that I find this confusing. Should we not have fog underwater? Is it... This hurts my brain. I'm so sorry trying to make physics.
No, he's making a physics interaction system.
VR physics, right. That's what's hurting his brain.
Not what you're doing.
Not what I'm doing.
Well, let's get out of this scene and go back again.
Yeah. Okay. We learned a few things. We can attest in our other scene.
No, what are you doing?
I'll let Claire do it.
Let Claire do the clicking. Let Claire do the clicking. Don't say.
So if anybody's just joining us now, we are working on The Life of Mr. Pips, a little strawberry game about Mr. Pips. Let's try and find his place in life.
Krista butchered that entire thingy.
He goes rafting and hanging out with little fruity blueberries, etc. Yeah, I'm doing it. Oh, look at that. That's very green. Remember Windy Bear Games 2 streams ago? Snuti HQ. Is Windy Bear Games here?
No, I don't know.
I was confusing people there. Do they have... Oh, okay.
Do you have any new emojis, Lindsay? Oh, yeah, okay.
Haven't seen
and thank you for the follow, Tux dude.
Yes.
I'm just going to see what we've made.
Oh.
Oh my god. What on earth have we made?
That's... he's not in the stream. Okay. Thank you for clarifying, Nick.
Let's have a look what you're doing.
But yeah, Windy Bear Games has very good streams as well. He's very good at making accents and having entertaining game dev.
I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't think it's very good at showing it, like, on the fly.
No.
I think that's the problem.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay. Seems like you're onto something. Yeah, it's kind of working.
It's kind of weird, but yeah.
Yeah, fabulous. Hey, I'm Tyrone from your Discord server. Hello, real-time coding.
Hello.
Good to have you here this morning. Thank you for joining us. Hope you're having a nice time. And he's talking about our Discord server. Obviously, that is Snuti Land. So be sure to check that out if you want to come out and hang with cool people. We also highly recommend Game Dev Friends Club, which is a top quality Discord as well, run by Julia. So you need a YouTube command. Well, I got a YouTube button here, so
yeah. It's a manual one.
It's a manual one.
Again, Krista has forgotten to read all chat. As usual.
Haven't one?
No, you miss it. Making games with my wife. What a nice dream.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Sorry if I missed that chat.
What kind of game are you working on? That's what you introduced, wasn't it?
Yes, I think so.
Seems to only work properly in play mode and only with the camera. Yeah, that's what I'm noticing with this.
But okay.
Krista keeps touching buttons.
I really want to touch it. Really,
you keep breaking it, so I'm not letting you go there.
Okay. I think that the height end and start you should not touch. But what we can do is change that box collider that it's using. Is there a box collider on this? Yes.
It is. Let's have a look at it. Okay.
So by the looks of it,
it's ginormous.
I think that box collider might be, if you turn the mesh render on.
Where's the mesh renderer?
That one. Right?
Yeah.
So you need to move this down a little bit. Right? So it's actually just the water. Fabulous.
Oh, great, man.
You need to turn the volume distance fade to 0.
It's supposed to 0.
Yeah.
There you go.
Great. Okay, so move that back to nowhere.
Maybe if I just turn this one off. Does that... No.
Okay, I have an idea.
Yeah, okay.
Can I try?
No, don't try. No. There you go. I put it underneath now.
Move it up, just so we see. Does it turn grey? Okay, the grey is there. Okay, there's the grey.
Yeah.
And if you line that with the green...
That's going to be fun.
Maybe not. Maybe that's not necessary. It's strange that it's not moving together.
I think probably that's pretty accurate-ish.
Yeah, but then we need to make the green further down.
It doesn't work with 0.
All right.
Stop putting 0 all the time. Take it.
Sorry. Check out what C said. Okay, thank you.
I need a Krista button. What's the Krista button for?
You know, to ping me, to notify me when things are important in chat.
Oh, yeah. Krista's
I need to have a second break. Is that okay?
You're on your 3rd break already.
3rd?
Yeah, I think you're on your 3rd.
No.
I think you're on your 3rd.
You're miscounting.
Check what Z said. Yeah, see, I'm attentive. I'm attentive to this, Nick. But Krista isn't. And I don't think it's a comma. I think it's a dot. So I'm going to go there. But this is so confusing. I can't wrap my brain around it. Because I'd assume that if I press like... Oh, what? Hello. Oh yeah, I probably should have turned off the mesh renderer. Commit the code already! Yeah, I'm not sure I want to commit this height fog, to be honest. But I can commit some of it. And where's that little clip? Krista keeps going out of the clips all the time. Commit your work already! I'm not the one who needs to commit work, though. I'm always fine with that. Oh, did I change the cave again? I might have to discard that one. I hope he's been editing the right one now. Yeah, we have been. Okay. Worries. No. I'm not going to commit this. Nor this one. But the rafting we can, on the other hand. Made boosted rafts. This game looks so great. Thank you so much, real-time coding. Raft ramps. Can't even spell. Dear. And rest not. I'm not sure I want to do this. I'm not sure that I want to do this height fog.
Is it
I don't know. It just doesn't. It's just been a bit. Where's the other doggy, Morris? He's over on the other side of the room in his crate because he likes that. Unless he has treats.
Yes, he needs treat redemption apparently. Yeah, this fog thing is probably not working.
Well, apparently he says you're so close. I'm like, I'm starting to doubt this.
But why is it still fading on and off? Do you think we're close? Do you think this is possible, or are we just going about it the wrong way? And hello,
Young Brown Rice.
Young Brown Rice, welcome back. Thank you for joining us.
Morris seems camera shy today. Well, he was actually there for a long time. Actually, Nick, whilst you were out shopping, he was very, very chill in the big bed here, or there, yeah. But he unfortunately decided that was enough. Enough chill time.
Enough chill time from one stream, yeah?
Enough chill time. You're gonna when you do streaming with your doggo cam as well, Nick, you'll understand the dilemmas. Use volume distance fade to 0.1. Okay, let's do that. And put the collider so it's on the edge of the water. Okay. Is that about it? Is that about on the edge of it?
No, it's further down.
It's further down?
Yeah.
It's hard for me to see this now.
Thing is, I think we can align it up with the existing collider, which is what I was hoping to do. So if you look at, can I control cursor for a second?
Yeah.
Because if I look at here, this is the height of 1.
Just put it lower so it doesn't trigger the transition when you're above the water.
Yeah, that's the plan.
That's what we're doing.
I just asked Julia now if there's going to be any stream from her, and she says no, RIP, maybe next week. Thanks for checking in.
Aww.
Yeah, so Julia won't be streaming today, unfortunately.
And hello, Goose of Wild. Husband and wife dev team. I love this. A father and daughter coding team over here.
Oh,
so
that is so
awesome.
cute.
Yeah.
Oh, that's excellent.
That is awesome.
That sounds like the best. I think we should have it much smaller because actually you can see there's one green there.
Well, no, Z says 0.1.
Yeah, but see this. See there?
Yeah, okay.
That's the fade distance. I think we have scaled it on the y-axis by 10. So I think it needs to be much smaller. So if we still doing that.
Oops.
Okay. Either way. Maybe that's better? But yeah, you were trying to modify this to move it down.
Down. Maybe that'll work out better.
I think that's what I'd try now.
Do you have 2 height fog overrides now?
It looks a bit like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm wondering that.
Wait a second, let's have a quick look. Oh, we do. That's what's happening here. This one is supposed to be
removed.
Well, maybe this one is the correct one because that's using the same box collider as the water.
Yeah, okay, let's disable that maybe.
And then let's turn this guy off. You wanna play?
I just want to see what's happening. Is that maybe why we had some stuff which was going on above? No? Okay.
Oh, I don't think this one is configured correctly compared to the other one. We've been working on the configuration of the opposite one.
Have we? No, we haven't.
Yes.
Oh. Well, why didn't you copy the values over?
Okay, just
okay. Copy component. There you go. That's this.
Paste values.
Paste component values. There you go.
Hey.
Hey.
Thank you for noticing, Z. There was something weird going on there. I wanted to work on my project this weekend for a long time, but our history teacher gave us a lot of work to do. Oh. Did that work?
Oh, I'm not really sure. Maybe. I'm not really. That one I can't seem to do that jump.
Okay, we need some. Maybe we should just add a box.
No, it's because it has a mesh collider on it.
Yeah, but put a box collider over so it makes it smooth.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
We were underwater there.
Hey guys, stop boosting.
No, camera does not want to go underwater when we need it to go underwater.
That's way too loud, the water.
Oh. Oh, you had turned your much louder than mine.
Oh, okay, probably.
It's not loud for me.
Okay.
Or stream.
So, yeah. It's full intensity? Does that, like... Show yourself! Show yourself!
Just leave it at that.
Just leave it at that, yeah.
Yeah, I think all the older values are correct.
I turned off the noise mode because it was giving some weird issues.
But maybe it doesn't like this. And thank you for following, Yanni.
Thank you!
That's awesome. What if we disable this one and use the other one, since the other one's actually working?
The other one?
Yeah, that one. That one we had working. Yeah, try that.
I don't understand what the difference is between one or the other.
Neither do I, but this one did seem to have an effect.
You probably want to tweak the values a bit.
Yeah. We've been tweaking values all morning.
Oh my... Okay, you know what? Do you know what? I'm going to do something right here. I'm going to go into the world, going to go into the characters, I'm going to go to one of the ramps and be like, you know what? Just another ramp. You are going to have a ramp force of
That's gonna send you on the wall instead.
No, it isn't. It isn't. It isn't. Okay, it isn't.
Okay, from 5 to 8.
We're fine. The woman said, "Tweak and tweak you shall."
Ah.
And thank you for the follow, real time coding, and the Alchemist 27.
Thank you so much.
Oops.
Awesome to have you guys there.
Went too far.
Extreme values. Yes, that's exactly what's happening here right now. Yeah, the extreme values are failing us. Extreme values.
No. Extreme values. Extreme, I tell you. Extreme.
Oh, did that work? No.
No. What? I have no idea. Why doesn't it show it visibly?
What if we go into play mode and then don't maximize on play?
Ooh, that might be a good idea.
Yeah, because it should be showing up in all the cameras in the game. I think at least. If I turn gizmos off.
But it was doing it in one area, not in the other area. I'm like, no.
What about...
It's just tricking you into more rafting. She likes rafting.
Yeah, I think so.
I love rafting.
Distance start, distance end. We can bring that closer, which makes it more dense.
But do we really need fog underneath water?
No. Or I think it'll be nice, but it's a very minor detail.
I feel like it's one of those things that's like, set it to 800. Then we'll go off the map. Send it to 100. Already got them to the edge of the map.
I don't see what's wrong here.
No, that's what's wrong. Your fog height is too high.
The end is at 25. We are at height 70 here, so which means that it should... Oh, is that... Start at 100, end at... Is that it, maybe? Bit hard to tell. Nope, I don't see anything here.
I think it's not updating. I don't know, like, is it not updating? You've got the volume distance fade to 001.
Yeah. Do I need to bring it a little bit larger? No, I don't think so.
Volume visibility is set to 0.5.
Yeah, which should... I don't see the volume.
I don't see it. I don't see it.
Wasn't this visible earlier? Oh, Gizmos is off, that's why. It's counted as a Gizmo. Yeah, which means it's supposed to be on inside of this green box, but it clearly isn't.
No, clearly isn't. You at least want it to spread over not too big a height range.
Yeah, but since we have... Well... Yeah. We could obviously try to line that up, but it's not coming on in the first place.
Who knows?
I think we are going down a rabbit hole.
I think we're going down a rabbit hole.
Yeah, but that's what game day is all about, right? Oh, Claire!
Did it work? Oh my god.
That is working. That is
Why is it not working in that area?
That is working. Okay, we obviously can't preview it. For whatever reason. But we can try to configure the values. So we're gonna make it sign blue, and it's gonna be on a distance from 0 to 50.
Okay.
And probably a little bit less blue, like more.
And why is it so yellowy?
What?
It was yellowy as well.
Oh, then with directional off.
Off, yeah, we don't want that.
Yeah. Oh, I lost all my settings. I did that in play mode, and I just clicked and yeah, okay.
And thank you for the follow.
We're off the spiff and start.
Spiff and start.
We're doing great. We are doing
so badly.
Doing fabulous, Claire. Don't complain. Distance 50 and 120, blah blah blah.
Yeah, and then scroll down off
on that one.
Off.
Okay, save.
To save and try again.
And go, wife.
Oh gosh, let me break everything up. Oh, hello. Hello, Mr. Pips' butt. Hello.
Oh, that worked. It wasn't the right type of blue, but it was a blue. Yay! See you celebrating with us.
Woo!
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 We're skating on sunshine. Whoa! Yeah, that's what's happening right here, right now.
Oh yeah.
We are having a spiffing good time. I'm celebrating.
I can see you're celebrating. I can see you're celebrating. Right, okay. So now I need to adjust this to be not absolutely ghastly.
Yeah. Obviously, we can't preview it, but I have input.
Oh, Krista has input.
I think it should be a lot more green.
Green?
Yes, it was very purpley.
Oh, you mean green
And then
in a tint.
less,
Yeah, okay.
less saturation on it. Yay, it looks nice. Hey, thank you, real-time coding. Awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, let's check out this round.
You need to turn fast, otherwise.
We have underwater effect. It's a bit like flimsy when it turns on, but is that close enough, guys?
We want to maybe like have it so it's a little bit not that misty, but sure.
Yeah, we can turn. Then we just turn the distance a little bit.
Yeah.
Slightly more saturation.
We have the visibility really high, Krister. We have the visibility really high.
Oh, intensity, yeah.
Don't change those.
I think.
Looks nice. You could probably play, pause, move the camera underwater, and tweak values. Then I guess.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Here's Z.
Okay, let's try to pause just as we enter the water. We have a shortcut here on the stream deck. If you can hit that button.
Oh yeah.
Should I hit it and you play?
Yeah, I think so, because my arm isn't that long.
Okay. Here we go. Pause.
There you go.
Hey.
Or manage to move the camera into the scene view. Nah, it's more fun to just have Mr. Pips in action.
Yes.
And you said it was feature creep?
It actually looks quite good.
Actually does look quite nice, actually.
Yeah, if you turn the distance up to 100, it doesn't do anything. 10. It's not updating, guys. So I think we're stuck with this. This is making no difference.
Hit the step button. The step button.
Okay. You can test the step button. I usually just unpause and pause really fast again. Is there a step button?
The one to the right of the pause. That's the step button. Wow.
I've never
knew this.
what that button has done.
We're like, what is it?
Does that render one frame? Because I thought it went to the next breaking point or something. Okay,
Yes.
One frame.
One frame. Try it.
This is so embarrassing.
How long did you dive in Unity again? We want to be doing it for like, a year, so, just here.
Okay, should we turn the distance closer, or what should we do? Like less visibility underwater or more visibility underwater?
Less visibility. No, like, what do you mean? Like, so you can see more underwater?
Yeah, I'm trying to ask you.
More underwater.
You want to see more?
Yeah.
I think you see a bit much.
But I mean, it's not. Do we want to make it so that Mr. Pips' water is polluted?
Oh, right. This is pretty clear water.
It's pretty clear water,
Okay. What do you guys think we should do? Is this good enough? Don't feel bad.
I've been coding in Visual Studio for years and keep finding new features.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like I learned about Shift F12 the other day. Like you can see where things have been used in references.
I know. We learn new things every day. If we're not constantly learning, then it's no fun.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm happy with it actually.
Okay.
The only thing I'm not happy with is probably the cutoff point.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, we don't see that here.
We don't see that here. Just use the steppy step.
Hey, one frame. Hey, another frame. Look at the frames go. Oh, the frames are going.
I think it could be clear close, but quite exponential towards the distance.
All right. So I mean, for example, 40? 30 there.
30, okay.
And then one step. I didn't do anything,
That didn't do anything. Yeah.
What if I put it up at like 65? Distance start. It's not up. Oh, unload. Real time.
Okay.
Hey!
Hey! We found out how to do it!
Okay, so that's a good idea.
Set to 30.
We're almost out of water.
No.
Oh, shit. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
I thought I clicked the wrong button. That's a bit too far still, I feel.
I think so, yeah.
So if we do like 15?
15, okay.
That's quite good.
That's quite good.
Yeah.
Remember to copy the settings before exiting play mode. Yeah, no, that's why I didn't want Chris to like start pressing any random buttons he shouldn't be.
Yeah. Should we turn up the I think that's fine. Okay, I like this. Yeah, I like this.
This looks good. Copy component. Copy.
But I want to also potentially tweak this one a little bit.
Okay.
It feels a bit too dull.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, they're like a bit brighter.
Yeah, I like this.
Right, because it's quite bright sun coming through the water.
So this is who you are. Snuti?
Hey,
Hello.
Justin. This is
Justin.
indeed who we are.
Yes.
Welcome to the Snuti stream. I hope you're enjoying yourself, and yeah, feel free to ask any questions to know more about who we are.
Who are we?
I don't know. Well, the questions got to keep rolling in to figure out. That's the secret.
Hello.
Okay, the game is at
underneath your chair
128. I don't know if that's saved or not. Yeah, that's saved. Okay.
Okay.
This one we need to paste component values. Hey, we have underwater. Okay, I'm done. Do you want to play a bit and see if you're happy with it?
Who are we? I don't know.
Well, don't die, please.
No. And Maurice is back in the dog cam.
Oh, he had to join in.
Little cutie Maurice. Okay, it's a bit like flimsy. Okay, that was a bit weird. I'll go back in the. Oh yeah.
You only get to experience it after a ramp.
I know.
The ramp has been a good feature creep, I think.
We like it.
Look at that.
They're all going on it. They're gonna totally beat me.
You had to land on him. Yeah.
Oh my god, I can't seem to get that one. I can only do it at the beginning.
Well, this is something I couldn't do. Are we talking about game dev or rafting? Oh, that looks good to me.
Yeah, just sometimes it wasn't working, and other times, see?
Yeah, when you get the camera right aligned with it, it's not sure if it's going to be on or off. But that's the thing, we have distortion. I think it's fine.
Do you think it's fine?
It's so hard to tweak the height of it.
I know. That's also a bit like...
Okay, what we can do, we can click on this box collider thing. I'll turn gizmos back on.
Move it further up?
And then, no, further down. I feel like it's sometimes on while above the water. So just take that one and like 1 pixel down. 2 pixels down.
3D game dev. I'm a software, web, and 2D game dev.
All right, cool.
Yeah, that's neat.
Yeah, we also do lots of web development ourselves. So, yeah. It takes a lot of time to learn. And if anybody's interested in learning more about game dev, we are affiliated with Game Dev TV. So check out their courses and get 85% off, because that's how we started our game dev journey. We had really good time learning from their courses. And you'll be supporting the Snuti stream if you decide to pick up one of their quality courses on Unreal or Unity or learning C# coding. And Blender as well.
Blender, yeah, that's true.
Hey, dog cuddles. This is how I summon the dogs. Yeah, that's indeed how you summon the dogs.
Them.
Yeah.
Is there already a plan when this will be released? Yeah, we're going to be releasing it very soon. We've said autumn 2020 just to be sure. But Chris is cheating with dog treats. I'm not allowed to. And and we're hoping to get it done within at least like the next month and a half, because we have a deadline, which is called we're expecting a baby. So yeah, it's very close. And I think you spent enough time on something nobody's ever gonna notice except us. Probably. No, Moritz, yo.
Winky's into the butt.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. Oh, Moritz is so sleepy. He's like, I prefer my mini snuggles. Yeah.
Winky prefers papini snuggles.
Yeah, Moritz loves me. Winky looks content. May I ask what the accent is? Well, I'm from the UK originally, but I've been living in Norway for quite some time. But I'm from Wales, yeah. And Krister is Norwegian. So yeah, we have a bit of like weird accent. Winky is unsatisfied with these cuddles. Oh.
Yeah. Is it unsatisfactory?
I can see that. The unsatisfaction.
Justin is an American Brit, if that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Then that's one thing Claire's been having a lot, that her accent has been changing. We found some old video footage of her, and it's quite fascinating how she's less Welsh accent these days. We really like the Welsh. I
never really had a Welsh accent.
I wasn't that strong in the first place.
You do.
Ooh, that looks comfy, yeah. 1.5 hours left, guys. Yes, it is 1.5 hours left. We had a really nice message on our Discord, Claire.
What was that?
B said, hello, we're currently watching a bit of your stream while having a lovely breakfast.
Oh, that's really nice.
Oh, that's nice, B.
Where's some Kick Winky now?
And if we want to know what we're talking about, we are hanging out in the Snuti Land Discord here. And yeah, thanks for the support, guys. Justin says it's 2:30 in the morning for him. Yeah, trying to get me some.
See what I mean? This is satisfactory dog snuggles.
Oh, is it? Is it?
It's very satisfactory dog snuggles. Look at this.
You got a point.
It is very satisfactory, huh, Vince? Oh yeah. Oh, it is. You just need more of it. Yeah. Ah, you both are so good. Yeah.
But obviously what we were talking about here is the fact that it's 1.5 hour. Okay, it's less than that. 1 hour 23 minutes left until the voting ends for the Brackies Game Jam, which we participated in. We made the game resale, and we got high hopes for that game. I mean, it is top quality.
Let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see.
Yeah, but we can have a little look at it.
Yeah, we can do. We can show that off.
This is the game we made.
Trying to get me anxious. Z?
Yes, I'm feeling anxious. It's gonna be fun.
I'm just like, yeah, I'll take chill.
It's taking a sweet time to load.
It always does.
We'll get there. Here we go.
Whee!
Look at resale. Oops. I can't believe you guys made it in 1 week.
7 days.
Yeah. Z, Nick, Claire, Krister. Yeah, we're a good team.
We're a good team.
So we were 4 people working on this game. Did this 2 weeks ago. And yeah. It's a little game about
you don't have the sound
around.
Effects and things like that. And we made the little lighthouse on stream.
Yeah. So if you want to check out this game, you can find it over on our itch page. And yeah. It's all about getting the boats to the finishing line in the right order, and chaos ensues, to say the least.
And these water spouts, the ones in the background there, those are the ones that Z wants to add into Mr. Pips now.
Yes.
But I think we can put a little sailboat in. We'll put the sailboat in and be like, yeah, you know, maybe we should use some of those pallets you made.
Yeah.
Yeah, put them all over. And thank you for the follow, Lazy Pigeon.
It's a bit low FPS on this laptop, I noticed. We have some optimization to do with this game, but it was a jam. Yeah. Mr. Pips.
Want to tell us what you're up to today? Maybe you're working on something cool, taking it easy. Say hello and let us know.
This is grammatically correct.
It sounds better with the flow.
Oh, thank you for the feedback.
Thank you.
Absolutely gonna take...
I didn't even know the Snutibot was saying anything. Where was Snutibot?
Absolutely, because I'm the one who's writing those, and English is obviously not my first language.
Yeah, and he didn't put it past me.
I didn't put it past him.
That's why I've been struggling to read out loud.
I appreciate the feedback. I'm gonna put that into our box after stream. Hey, what do you guys think we should name today's stream? We're getting towards the end.
I thought we were gonna say that it was the Mike re-reveal.
Mike re-reveal. It's a Mike-tastic stream.
It's a Mike-tastic stream.
Yeah, I'm trying to place him.
Right. No. He wants to have full profile.
Full profile, is it?
Full profile. Yeah. He's just like no. Look at his mustache.
Oh, we all need to join the mustache club.
All need to. Yeah, we do. Yeah.
Here we go.
I went hunting for this mustache and these googly eyes.
Yes.
And now this Monday, and I was like, whoa! And I had all these different selections of mustache, and I'm like, nah, this is a Mike mustache.
I'm a CS major with a minor in English. I love myself, formality and grammar. Oh, that is good. Language is not my strong suit.
Well, it's not our forte, both of us. So
yeah.
I was brought up bilingual, so yeah, I'm pretty rubbish at anything grammatical for any of the languages. Hey, I've got 3 languages on my belt, so I'm like, no.
What is Z talking about? Feature creep? Bit boring.
What?
I'm not sure what you're talking about, Z. Cardiff. Yes. Claire's from Cardiff.
Oh, stream titles.
Oh, feature creep. I thought that was a bit of a boring one. Yes.
Stashed Mike. I like that one from Nick. That's a good one. I don't think we're going to be naming the stream Cardiff. But nice try. I love how Morris has now decided it's chill time.
It's chill time. Yeah.
I think he doesn't like the fact it's windy outside because he thinks it's going to rain. A journey to cross the lands of unity. Or fly around the lands. Can I like?
I feel like we've sent the brass flying today.
Sent loud, yeah.
Yeah, you turn the mesh render off, but also you can do here is to turn
off the real time as well.
the visibility there, yeah, and turn it to onload. There we go. That's probably better.
That's probably better. After fixing my issues with URP, I made my first shader graph.
Hey!
Shader. That's awesome!
So glad to hear that worked out, the nice guys. That
Yeah.
you reinstalled and then it functioned again. That's great.
Is it too late to swap out the berries with mustaches? I'm afraid so.
I
I feel a sneaky bit of feature creep in here again.
There's enough stashes on this stream already, I think.
No, Java Source is saying that you can never have enough.
Oh, the water works fine. We can finally put the camera underneath, and it's occasionally... Oh, it's too low now. Do you see that?
Yeah, that's probably why.
I'm gonna itch my mustache.
The thing is, I find it really, really disorientating because I'll look at Chris and I'll be like, where's the mustache? And then I look at the camera like, wow, mustache.
Yeah.
AKA MMM. What was MMM? Magical Mustache Mike. Oh, I didn't even see that. Majestic Mustache Mike. Sorry.
Right.
You're all interesting, that's for sure. Thank you, Justin. Does anyone know how to use particle systems in HDRP?
Oh, avoid HRP is my what I've heard so far from people.
We haven't used that ourselves.
But
Guys just need more months and we'll see a baby with a stash. Yep. Did babies grow mustaches at an early age?
Oh, this one does.
Oh, okay, yeah.
This one does.
Are you joking? Someone's pregnant? No, I'm pregnant.
She is.
Yeah.
Expecting in start of October, so it's
coming soon.
It's happening.
Soon. Yes.
Yeah.
It's very soon.
But still working hard.
I'm still working hard.
Hustling with your game dev.
I love game dev too much.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You can't use the new Shurian system. All right. I have no idea about the. I think that's the particle system we use.
Oh, okay. With the little icon. Is that what it's talking about?
Maybe.
Where you've got the little ninja.
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Yes. It's correct.
Congratulations. Thank you, nice guy.
Not long now. Yes, we are very excited for it.
I still have lots and lots of energy, so I'm very happy about that.
Yeah, it's been productive.
I've had more energy, I think, than I had before.
And you wonder if it's your iron tablets.
I think it might be.
Yeah, because maybe I've had some iron deficiency previously.
Might have done. I might have done.
Now you're full of energy.
Now I'm full energy.
Yeah.
It's because I have so much, berries and, no jam.
Yeah. Should I take a look at who to raid?
I think so. I think we're going to wrap up now. Stream. Oh, it's quarter to 11
Should we
already.
commit our work?
We should commit. Yes, because I didn't want to... So I committed earlier because Nick was just like, you need to commit your work. And I was like, yeah, but I don't want to commit this profile yet.
Good point. Can't commit everything.
Guinness is great for iron. Not so great for pregnancy, though. Yeah, probably not a good idea, but I do look forward to finally being able to have a good Guinness in the future.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Finally, we can share our beer.
I'm going to write a message before you go. I hope you can read this stuff.
Yeah. We're not running. We're usually quite slow at going.
Have some in the fridge.
Yeah.
Can you make a walkthrough from your game?
I don't think our game would need what.
No, it's too easy.
It's a 15 to 20 minutes experience, and you just go through a story. You can't really get it wrong.
No.
Yeah.
I think if you end up doing a walkthrough, then you kind of spoil the entire story, really.
I don't see what you're talking about, Justin. It's backwards in chat. It's readable. I don't see. What are we talking about? I don't see this in chat.
I don't.
Maybe it got censored. I don't have anything uncensored neither.
I don't either. It looks so interesting. It's a real-time coding. Okay, I'm gonna commit this. Yeah. Made underwater post-processing and fug. There you go. Commit messages. And thank you for the follow! Sift? Is my message not backwards with the one above Z's?
No, I'm going to write a message before you go. I hope you can read this. That's not reversed for me.
No.
I think it's talking about that one.
No.
Huh. That is strange.
Stream, no! Stream! No!
It appeared backwards on my screen. Oh, alright.
Wait, did it disconnect?
No, we've
got internet issues, Christopher. We had 0 kilobytes.
No! It says the bitrate is fine here. My grandpa got a new PC. Alright, that's nice. It says it's fine here, still here.
That's me who said it, you num-num.
Sorry. I didn't see that. Thank you for following, Tatar.
But they can't hear us because apparently the stream is dead.
Does it say that here though? It seems like they've dropped frames to network 0.
Oh, we're back. Okay, we're back. Okay.
There they are, you're back.
Go, yeah.
Back again. We didn't mean to leave. It's just our internet being
strange.
Being strange, yeah.
And thank you for the follow, Tsar333. Ooh, that was close. We need to raid fast, apparently.
Yes.
Thank you for the follow. I can't say that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna call you V.
Yeah.
Find the music too loud.
It's not loud on mine.
It's really loud on mine. We need to find something.
Yeah, we need to try and find something to raid.
Yeah.
So here we go. Still a new game idea, no spoilers from this guy. We also have somebody working with Godot engine.
And we're working on the jam. Is Dr. Javasaurus working?
Yeah, Javasaurus is coming live. Huh?
I don't know. We're back again, I think.
Yeah.
Sticks Media is good for a raid.
Blue Rabbit here. Hello, Blue Rabbit.
Sorry.
I'll have a look at Stick Video.
Oh, he's doing the Kenny Jam.
Alright. That's cool.
Mike is still in the shop.
And also thank you for our subscribers today.
Yes, thank you for...
So, Z who gifted a sub to Repsa and Polo Junction.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the subs.
And thank you to all the followers as well. A lot of followers.
Yeah.
Music slightly high. I agree.
Just,
there you go.
Okay.
Thank you. I said it was loud. It was like, no, it's not loud at all.
It's different volume for all of us. So it's a bit hard to figure it out, right? Well, this seems cool. I think we have maybe rated Six Media in the past.
I'm not sure.
At least I'm following him.
Thank you for the streams, this Polo Junction. Nice outro.
Yeah, thank you.
No, Javasaurus is not on stream yet. Kenny Jam also was today? Is it over? High music for hype.
Sorry, Javasaurus. Maybe next weekend, or unless Julia's on.
I don't know where the... Okay, there's the Yeti mic there. Because the thing is, you want to have a little bit lower just in the background. There you go. I think I fixed it properly.
I bet they can't even hear the music now, because it goes through that and then the desktop audio, and it goes like, yeah, complicated.
Oh, we just got rated by Joseph Developers.
Oh, Joseph, thank you for rating us.
We were just about to
wrap up.
I'm so sorry.
Hope you had a nice evening. Joseph is hanging out in Hawaii, so for him it's like 11 o'clock in the night. It's 12 hours different from us.
Yeah.
And hope you had a nice time on your stream. Yeah, we raid with you. That's awesome. Right.
Oh, we were just about to raid somebody else, but it was really nice that you rated us. Thank you.
Thank you so much for dropping by. We had a really good stream ourselves. And if you missed it, we had our trailer out, which is posted up on YouTube and on our Twitter. Yeah. And if you guys want to come and join us on our Discord, be sure to hang out there as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
I like how there's like the Minecraft mode. You just went with the subscribers. I like that.
Oh.
I'm considering streaming just to get the viewers.
Right. Let us know, Justin, if you're on in the future, and I'll be sure to drop you a follow on Twitch as well.
Bye, Claire. Bye, Chris.
Come and say hi in the Snuti Discord, and we can get to know each other. Great. Let's start this raid, shall we?
We should start it, yeah. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. You've been absolutely awesome, and we hope you all have an amazing weekend and week ahead of you as well. Keep game deving, keep dancing, keep mustaching, and keep the love for Mike, because everybody needs to spread the love for Mike.
Alright, the raider's ready. Let's go and say what Six Media's up to and wish him luck with his game jam.
Yes.
Right, you guys, until next Saturday, have a good one. Bye.
Bye.